The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
No, I'm a simba la.
Yeah?
Okay,
sharp.
Singaze siqalise njalo ishondo.
Bitches is ungrateful.
I'm not telling you kakhulu manje.
Indaba.
So namhla siyabe sizwakala so.
Eh.
I'm gonna be wilding.
Amazimba kwamnandi.
Avuyise kumnandi.
Sad.
They're nice though.
uJane bambhanile ukudla on screen since the episode.
Hayi phalani ukungahloniphi abantu. Abantu bakubukela ukukhuluma wena
Kungikhaya.
Abadlini ngibo
ASMR.
Jane. It's not like she was brushing or something.
Angitsho njalo. Ngizange ngatsho njalo.
Yo.
You really went far with it there, bro.
Ulama waves la.
Straight branch management.
But otherwise,
Fancy.
I took it to hell.
Oh, Abdul watch a branch, you know, it is Abdul wala fetisha ninja.
ile kuzenini
Yeah, I think
ivote ile kuzenini
Brown
sasadliwa.
fetishes.
Ivote yani?
Ivote onion empitini. Abasichayala abantu.
Sawina ndoda lina liyahlala.
Go win obani?
That way you
No more people win.
Hayi.
Go win obani?
At the end of the day.
Abangafaki onion.
At the end of the day.
Abomination.
Kanti sesiclassifyana njani empilweni?
So
Kuthiwa zawina.
ukuwina
So ngama groups.
kuthi ukuthi ine lishap.
At the end of the
Sina
day.
si
Langwaza
ANC.
abantu abatshona
Lina
bewina.
MK abafaki onion.
Alila onion.
You're supposed to buy
ezindlini.
a sword, by the way. That is Tengelan.
Alila onion
What is
ezindlini.
Tengelan mcin?
Yonyeni.
What are we know about Tengelan?
Anithembisanga lutho.
That abawina about Tengelwan.
Anithembisanga lutho.
Kodwa kuthenga abaluza.
That's what we think about winning.
Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, it does.
Lina libaningi kuyini?
Awuwinwani vele. I-onion sizalithengela i-onion alright.
Ukuthi lifake.
Kube le exchange of cuisines.
Liyisebenzise kwenye indawo. Anti lina liqhakathekisa like that.
Oh, abantu bavota.
But if you don't gcwala, sack.
If you don't ngala for sure.
But manje after into fine after we the conversation ya. Sengicheck up impide endlini ngithi maybe nxe onion izayibona. Ibonanga.
Ayikho. So nonsense ngani into.
Angikwazi ukuthi ngayibona. Maybe nxe ke rezayifaka ngikwazi. But
Wambuza uMasali.
Umazali
Ubuza kuthetha akufakwa ntoni.
Azambuza.
Go change your glasses.
Utshela umzali uthini?
Ngithi ambuze kuphela
Ukuthi onion awufaka.
ufaka vele.
Maybe nxe sokungaphuma sama.
Hayi,
Amnike nini alright.
UMJ
Right.
kadli on camera.
I'm on a diet. I don't believe it.
Uthe kadlini.
Amasimba.
Ngadla masimba.
Sick.
Lamadodo.
So
But
you-
because amasimba yamanike zabantu bamadodo.
Phambi kwecamera.
Amasimba.
Uthi ngihlafuna kakhulu.
These flavors are not there. There's a movie that explains why we have these flavors.
Iphi flavor mafuthu nika abantu i-context
Imovie
abangabani.
explain ukuthi dunk.
So ama flavors
Zinga actually.
Simba chips,
Sondele mic in.
Doritos, Lays, all these other spicy flavors were inspired by one guy.
Who?
I've forgotten his name, but the movie is called Flaming Hot. It was released last year.
Wow.
It's based on a true story. This guy was Mexican, right? Well, he used to
Obviously.
work for PepsiCo company. That was doing these type of things. So he discovered that his son liked chili things, and it was hot and good. So he created his own flavor. Went to the CEO.
Abegango ke bazamani laba.
Went to the CEO. So everyone else takes
Our
is
local
taken
brand.
from that. Everyone is taken from that.
That's crazy.
So
Dr.
he
The guy that
changed.
invented some flavors.
He said he's the godfather of marketing and something like that in terms of.
But David had many wives.
But David had many wives. My fault.
That's an interesting fact. I didn't know that one, dog.
Ngikhona kuyaqanda into esingayivumelana ukuthi kuyaqanda.
Martins. Inxa yabantu ababukeli abangakhebulawayo.
Mephe nxesiza iziyelele ngemande.
Sokuthisa.
Abantu bebukele ke lapha ngoba kuyachisa.
Abakwazi sirekhode at least.
namhla kuyaqanda izulu linile izolo ebusuku
But mina la izolo.
Yeah, even namhla. Yazi ngifundisela
even
nje.
No, bekuyizulu leni kumbe lokuyana ukuthi
both
Ngili6.
because mina ngilizwa.
Twanga lichuni i-procreation.
Mbazwile. Mbona abantu beposte ku status mina bepenqime
Twanga
ngihlala.
lihlale
umuntu uthe wanyena
ngalihlale emkhukhwini lapha amazenge la nxa lichuni lokho zeni kuye ngani abantu abaliqakezela izandla.
Mina yazi ngilitshele njengomuntu omdala. Lindlale njengomuntu omdala. Yazi whether lifuna le. Whether lifuna ama series, like ubukela i-series.
Hey mfana.
But
Mana
mana
isinto expect ukuthi uzayikhuluma.
mana ngicedisa ipoint yami. Lokho kufuna usendlini le series. But akufuni like i-series entsha. Like ufuna i-series osoba
Oh, series.
I-series imini series.
okay
But
Mbona
ufuna
ngani
i-series.
series entsha.
Nazi, I think i-series endala.
Series
At least you
entsha.
trust. Usukwazi ukuthi le series because of the way that you don't want to be stuck at home. Ubusubona i-series yakho niyabhoa. And then you're just stuck endlini le-series ebhoa. Kumele uthathe i-series oyithembile ukuthi ayi-series le.
Engumakoya.
Ngangizwa ngayenza sesigera, ngayibukela first year
entsha
second
lama
year.
season angu 8 one episode
Yeah, because
43
amacha.
what
Yiku risk futhi.
But entsha
14
yakwanisa ukuthi
episodes
uyathola
each
ukuthi maybe
season.
iyakwanisa uku-open enye i-third eye yabo.
Anyazi,
Ugcina
anyazi.
subone ezinye
But
izinto
nafuna
ongazibonanga.
uyakwazi sheki.
Okay.
I-series entsha like ebifuna ngesama. Okwazi ukuthi ngabona nabo.
Ungazi kube yilosi.
Sesingaphuma sithi asifike chicken corner, you know. But nxa usedeni kathi siwethi nje so ubona i-series le isidindi le.
Awufuna
But
ejele.
Sayinge bra
I-series entsha ile risk enje so. Risk in a perspective of opportunity
Hey.
and risk in a Doritos guys, Doritos. Anyway,
Ithi nditshele enye ipoint futhi.
so
Manina
ile risk
qede, mana
futhi
qede.
nge-perspective ye-loss. So when ukhuluma perspective ye-loss, but nge-perspective ye-gain and opportunity.
Aso whether
series
ukuriska
enje
le. Mangutshela so whether ukuriska le. Because usendlini le-series ebhowayo dude until kusasa. Mana ngutshele futhi.
Mfana that's the worst thing mfana. Wena yo.
Awusele into ongayenza.
Yeah, ke
Yabo.
ukuchita.
And
Mfana
nazi,
uyabuyiqale ngo2 emini.
enye into futhi ani
Kumele iphele kusasa.
i-series
Service
like
in drive ngoba
i-series mawuyazi.
bayibisele video is.
So what you say video is
Yada.
i-series futhi lalela i-series mawuyithemba futhi sokwazi ukuthi ngiyawazi ukuthi vele ku-season 1 hamba so season 2 nxa singani sibhowa laphana suchibilikisa
Uskipha ama episode.
usuchibilikisa ifoni yabo or something or uyakwanisa even ukuyibukela ungafaka ngipouch
oh lapha you
efonini
mean like mawudownload
into ezinjalo.
Yeah, iseries
Mana
okwayi
ngiqeda nje
buyi.
Faka i-pouch.
Yazi problem ngepouch ani i-pouch especially like nxa ulefoni enkulu njengathi K-Breeze i-pouch iyavala ispeaker kwesinye isikhathi like awusezwa mnandi.
Mountain i-charge igcina ingangenanga sharp.
Exactly.
Yabona
Into
ku-port
ze-pouch.
lapha.
Into ze-pouch.
Nxa ufakile okuzenini like nxa ufaka i-pouch. Kugcina ungangenanga sharp.
Yabo.
So yabona ungakhiphi i-pouch.
Suzubukelela i-series yakho kuhle awula pouch.
The sound is good.
Le
Yabo.
battery
Is-
100%.
Imnandi manje la pouch.
Yabo.
So ngeke ube kusukela i-series yabo. Uyakwazi futhi
Katoni ulalele ngaphi kahle? Ulalele ngaphi?
Ingqondo yaphinga.
Ngokubuza umbuzo wakho.
manje utshele into futhi. Uyakwazi ukuthi like nxa ubukela i-series kule like yabona ama-scene lana aba-builda khona i-tension. Ama-scene lawana
Yakuchibile suspense so.
so iscene yakhona kule scene lana like after they build up i-tension and then like sokusiba like inqeka ubukela i-series ongani kule zenzeng ubususethuka yabo khonkiyani i-suspense naleya mana
Timekela chazi let the brother cook.
Mekelena
kuthiwa
phela.
iscene lana kuthiwa bathi suspense total delivery like ukuthi we've finally delivered at the end of i-suspense but for sure they call it STD. So i-problem ukuthi into leni ingenzakala ifoni ingena pouch
Yeah, i-chance yangone ukuthi
isingafi ifoni
Yeah.
uyayethuka uphosa ifoni
But futhi nxa uyi-series
maybe
oyijayeleyo.
akwazi uthola
but
ba-
isithi oyijayele uyakwazi
Uyakwazi ukuthi
ukuthusa
sekulandeza
but amanye
kwethu. Yeah,
ama-series are tight.
leza ama-points ami
Amanye
sengu-understand.
ama-series are tight like that.
some cities are very tight
They're tight like that.
Now I also like ama-series anjabo-Game of Thrones like episode eqatha so if you know what I'm talking about
No, but amalo ismoko futhi
1
nge-series
hour
oyijayeleyo.
1 hour episode
Ismoko nge-series oyijayeleyo. Ama-main character sengafa masinyane.
But series yanje manje series yanje allows you to
Because ngimuze ukukhuluma ngo-Game of Thrones.
yeah njengelana
Uthi expect ukuthi umuntu uzasha 8 seasons. First season.
but Shogun bra Shogun would be a good series Shogun baba
Seke ngibuke.
Shogun is a good series to
Awuzibuki?
repeat
Oh.
sengelimzulu umuntu omdala ekhuluma mani I hope unizwakele ngithi point yami engiyikhuluma yama-series I hope unizwakele
Zwanga.
So
But the new series is okay.
asibukeleni ama-series kuyagodola.
ubukela i-series oyaziyo kodwa ungazami i-series entsha so sikhathi
ngakuhlupha bekela ama-movie
Ayikhona ukuthi uSteve yayikhona
Bukela ama-movie.
25 bucks for my baby shower.
one njengenye movie
series,
two
drink tea.
njengenye movie
Njengathi zonke.
njengenye movie four
Uyabukela iMarvel.
Marvel Pirates of the
series
Caribbean
mnandi.
4 of them babo 4 but different movies ungahamba ucomment ukuthi
But wajayele
ukuthi
ayisho.
horror exactly I don't even new ones up what these days but
amathapho wani
Ayarisk ama.
especially ama 2000 and 2001
awuzwakali
ama 2020 something
language yakhona
but ungabukela abo 90
Check-
abo Van Damme abo 90 something abana
Anama-crazy so.
ehe
bafo
awaduri futhi
Guys, break new ground, guys.
That's
Start
true.
trends.
That's true.
Don't be scared to break new ground.
Zwani. Uthi sama machiwa khona.
Yeah. You never know.
But it's
Like,
more
you have to
but
fuck around
futhi
and find
man
out.
into iswi yabona amachiwa khona vele automatic bro. Awuqala ukrenke uqala yabo usuphendule lembuzo engayisiyo like ongakwaziyo like
Isiris sekubuza ukuthi yeah siyakwenzani
Siya-
ngathi uyabukelwa.
Iyabukelwa.
What's wrong?
press uplay faki press
Ama
uplay
2000 asinceda.
unabuthi
Amachiwa khona.
uyayifaka nje ku computer the VLC uthi 200%
yabo
volume.
volume wena
mina yakwazi kuba ngithanda ukubukela ama-series
sound
akudala
bar.
futhi ama-series akudala manje ngiwathola ku-CD so nxa ingasaplayi kuhle laphana uyakwazi ukuyikhipha i-CD
Uthi ha.
uyikhode so uyibisela
kumbe ufaka ispirit sometimes.
playa kuhle mfana
Kumbe ufaka ispirit.
Uwaplaya on
So
what?
entsha ikhoteki. Isiris.
ngiyakhotha iflash iflash efaka umuntu wonke kule-laptop yakhe
Is smoke
Hey, Khoti Vlad.
yabona into leyo siyasamuye lapha ngento
we are going somewhere njengabantu abadala
njengabantu abadala
I
la.
hope siyazwakala.
We are going somewhere.
ukuthi
Yabo.
isikhathi sama-series lesi isikhathi
Yeah,
sama-series
Yeah, but
we're trying to make a point here
Kumele unanzelele
ngoba
because
lokho ufuna ujack power 24 hours you know what I'm talking about i-series le
kule
MJ kati wangathi awusizwa kati
Guys, ngidlala
Tiyana
lele
sikhuluma but
kanje.
awusizwa
MJ MJ uza kudobha masebukele episode
Hi guys, ngidlalele.
But if the series is called Big Bang,
Ngilawula guys.
if the series is called Big Bang
Big Bang Theory.
wena
Ngitshela ukuthi it's not the normal one.
wena
But kulo mbuzo ngiyakwazi ukuthi umbuzo lo uyalinxaphisa belingafuni ukuphendula but asuphendulele.
La nje ungatshela abantu abasuza imbuzi imbuzi.
nxaphisa
Why are you snitching?
Sorry Ben. Anti lapho sikhuluma iqiniso upodcast le. Siyakhuluma iqiniso omunye uthinta team lenze ngathi ezilandi iqiniso.
Abantu ababukele babona ngisebenzulema.
Kuthiwa hi.
Ngitshele uma 40 funa ukuthinta imlenze yabanye ku background.
Ma40 asikazi.
abantu bazabona
Siyazilalela
nekavuyo
ama-40
Sekuna
siyazilalela.
sikhathi HR
It's
ndoda
just
ku
a
podcast
joke,
after iminyaka
Simani.
yonke.
It's just the jokes.
Just the jokes.
abantu
It's just
bazabona
the jokes.
nekavuyi madoda lengenzi so
It's just the jokes. It's just the jokes.
Awu bephulule ka Ralph.
Ah.
ekankore
Coach. All right.
Forward ever.
Manini phela mbalo
backwards
mbuzo.
never
Mbalo mbuzo siqalisa podcast. Asikaqalisa podcast intro. Hi, next episode can you speak on the pressures of social media and comparing your life to others on the internet? Would love to hear you guys' opinions. Big shout out.
Peace. Shout out.
So angazi guys ukuthi lena
Ngicela
litini.
Jane aphendule kuqala.
Jane, pendula kuqala. Pendula kuqala.
Sasadini wabo.
Can you imagine outside? Yakubona comment wena le Twitter.
Ngiyadlala.
Now playing.
Ubukela i-podcast. Uzatela ukuthi sakhuluma ngakho ka-10. 20.
Since yabe ngabhalana bana. I-pressure mina ye-social media, I'm doing for the guy.
Bodla amafoni. Uzasifila la.
Niwe lapho uzobhodla ama-Doritos club hey.
Umafoni uzakaka sikhangele la. Elokhu ivula mina.
Episode yakho nahle ngiyiphina la ku-profile yakho eseyitsi yakho. And here, 40 kakati.
Kakili 40. Ubusithini 40?
Nah, as far as yabona umfundisi mina njenga recent umfundisi uthi ngahakela imbinga. Otherwise I'll spend the night in custody.
Yeah. Imali.
Ralph, what's your response to that thing?
Yeah. It's that. Lami nxa sekhuluma so kule into like engayifundayo recently. I know abantu abukele bazanzondela but guys, it's life. Anyway, into engayifundayo ukuthi iningi labo sis labo especially abancane like young kids bro 2003 4 5 6 7 no
God
not 7 I'm playing but yeah like nzamuthi abantwana abancane like most of them who have these nice lifestyles which we post over here and there. Some of them one are in abusive relationships. Those people are beating them up but they have to stay there for the lifestyle. Secondly, abanye babo they are literally selling their bodies for that kind of life. So when I now hlezi ngini lapha ubona umuntu maybe ofunda layo
The iPhone 15.
esele week twengakiphe lama inch amaningi udlula wonke
HD uta 40
HD exactly esele 32 inch le iPhone 15 Pro Max and then when you're feeling like maybe you're nothing like you're a loser God doesn't love you you don't know
HD-less.
Yes, HDMI.
Siyakwazela ngaphi thina Jane?
thina sikwazi lokho.
Thina sizokuthiwa HD.
So yeah,
Sabamba khonoko. Ukuthi kulamaleyisi mistering.
and then on the other gender nje umuntu uthanda into ezibalanced 50-50 nje amankazana fab for the things and get beaten for the things and then the guys on the other side most of them are scammers and thieves and bakweleta imali zabantu to have those things so
Abanye
don't be
Mana mafoti.
don't be home there with your iPhone 5S thinking things
Abanye
are so
ngamajigalo.
bad for you bro.
But ukuthi 80 that are 5S things are bad for you.
All right, don't be on your iPhone 8. All right, don't be on your iPhone 11 button and think like it's the worst
Ngamajigalo
thing,
abanye.
bro. So people do a lot of shit. Ukuthi i-post caption ayisozikutshela ukuthi imali le ngichayisela i-ake kumbe ngiyenzeni.
Tinjola 5,000
ukuphetula okukhulunywa uJane last week.
Exactly. So
Abanye bayaphetula ukuthi imali zibe khona.
just relax. Take your time. Ama blessings akho abuya ngesikhathi sawo.
Umpetu.
Don't be ansakhulumi.
There's this niece of mine, Ngemelaye. This other niece of mine. I'm standing with her. I'm going to collect her from school. And then the other girl from a school passes by. Like, oh, she's an icon. Should see her Instagram. I'm like, what's her name? And I'm like, last time Baba is broke, is busy asking money from our uncle. Like, do not
God dang.
see Lokana on Instagram and think Uti lifestyle. But no, I was not a hater. I was explaining because I want to be like, hey, I'm like, but you don't know. She's faking what it is.
Katikoni mali
And the uncle, guess what? The uncle I'm talking about it's a her dad.
Maybe ngabukela podcast.
I want to so life is like that. So uyabebona ku Instagram mntwana wana posting this blind sebona ani nje. Yabo?
Mina i-advice yami ukuthi abantu ku social media bapost ama success.
Ulokuzu ufrosty la. Ninguzi 2 cents.
Abantu ku social media baposta okuhle kuphela into efani angizake mbone mina umuntu oposte ethanyela ku social media
Ngaphandle kwaCherry obamba inkukhu la. Balona ukuthi wayemuhle.
But the whole idea phela
Uyakhumbula ukuthi laphalani ngoCherry lona.
Angathi la.
but phela the whole idea of social media.
Osisi bayithu ulona wabamba inkukhu lathi hey a girl must ngoba kubuya ngomntana.
njenxa ukuthi wena wesaba inkukhu it's fine.
I know, but I was so happy, guys. That you
The whole idea of social media is to sell a fantasy.
Okay.
So the idea is that's why 9 times out of 10.
Hamina but
Your
angithengisa
profile
ifantasy
has
bangani bami.
to look that way for you to be able to sell whatever you're selling.
It only takes the
And-
highlights of your life.
Yes.
Use airport, use
Yeah,
Dubai.
but-
Which one airport in Dubai? wena?
Kunapo hamba ubhangukile futhi usethi uye Dubai angkhona.
Yabo.
To an extent ukuthi do you realize lo munye umuntu okwahamba just to post a pic ukuthi is departure departure ukuthi I'm going elsewhere.
Qeda ingena ku
Aqeda
Delta.
ingene kufitha abuyele.
Ebuyeletheni.
I understand that. It gets to
Lo
that's how
lendalo.
bad the whole thing is.
So lingavumela
We understand.
Mina
At the end of the day, personally, I think you have to look into yourself.
Guys,
ukuthi
mina ngithi
where you were
vumani.
yesterday and where you are now. If there's a difference there, then you are winning.
mina bengisaqedisa nje lapha ngizithi abantu baposta into ezimnandi kuphela kula muntu oposta impilo lapha mawila ahlala even lathi ku podcast la lingasiboni isihleka la
Impide le onion asiyipost.
asipost impilo leonyini la but impilo yethu everyday
oh like amakwande kulo muntu
Yabo,
omuntu isikwande.
even
But
emdlovu
statistically
nje.
bakhona abamakwande laba. Statistically.
yabo so
Instagram.
so lingalokhuzi lingabi discouraged ukuthi
mina-
abanye abantwana balokhuze baphumelela abantu ngemali
mina ngilitshela ukuthi i-pressure issue, I don't think it's bad all the time. Like if you take it in a positive light, it can make you work harder. Let's say uyisifebe esidliwa mahara, esidliwa mahara.
Subona ukuthi no man.
abanye benza imali into
Polisi ulesodumo.
We have the same organ, the same body. Actually, your body actually might be better. Uyathola omunye umuntu omubi last number kulawo wena uyisifebe but ufemela mahara.
We NGO but for hoes.
Ufunda ukuthi yena okwakhe
NGOs
Everybody say
so stamp is right
Ota.
ungasikhuzi lana.
ngoba
Angeke sikhuzwe ngikhaya sikhuzwe nguwe futhi.
ngoba
Take for example,
uKendrick
they
kwatini
posted a girlfriend. I don't know, you guys, everyone is familiar with Sai and Bougie, right? So her ex.
Lona lezivuna namahlombe. That's what they said.
Please don't say that.
That's what they
I
said.
did not say that. I like her. She's pretty. So
So
there's a guy.
Udanga ithiwe kangani ke teach me how to do
Ngilana
it.
wathi ayisheveni.
Her guy.
Ngilana ngashevanga.
Her ex
I
guy
prefer
is
not
now
to not to speak
Not this week.
Her ex is now dating him.
You sound like this president.
Hey.
Wrong and I comment.
Hey.
So her ex, like this oldish guy, he's now dating like a young 2K. He bought her a Mercedes. He gave her the apartment that Zion was staying in, you know. We want to mark and be good at it. You know, you can suck at your job and stay at junior position.
You had us in the first half, Lava.
Maybe, okay, I don't know how much entry
yeah
level.
because
people
like
want.
futhi nxa usuyiqamba
But
imali
ma-
yangikhona
But makuyukuthi uyafeva, you can't afford to be bad at that job because it's not really a job.
or you can suck as your job and then get things.
So that
I used to suck
feel
at my
like-
job.
I feel like
Now I
you
suck at my job.
or something. But then that kind of thing, we are going to they always judge you. But you're gonna mau favor sharp, and
xa likhuluma ngokusaka
on a mau lunguzi window so part go Range Rover. No one will say shit, but mau favor uloku haula like impilo yakho ayitshintshi then.
Isiwule sodumo.
Besengozi actually.
Because
Besengozi.
xa likhuluma ngokusaka ubhuti asiditha mkhumbule esithi kati ma usakhithiti uyasakhithiti like uthi njengeshisha
kunothi umntwana othi ngophuma uchago umntu angazabe usikhathi usumunyani.
kati noma usakhithiti uyasakhithiti
Like wesele suction. Wesele suction.
uthi
Ngabe mbona nebo uthi ndombo
But at
lo.
least uchakulana le sweet.
ndombo la
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Angifuni ukutest uchago during. Andandaba ukutesta njani. Angifuni ukulitest.
But ungaka because of never mind.
Yeah, but that ngangingumntwana. Angazi ukuthi zinopinda kuphi.
I'm recording.
Anyways,
I'm recording.
I wanted to say
That's
ukuthi
why I was recording.
normally vele umuntu as a human being you want to be appreciated, everyone. That's why we're doing the podcast. So I expect ukuthi abantu basiqakezele izandla. No. Listen. Listen. Tell me nxa ungafika endlini ubukela i-podcast ubusubona negative comment. That's not what you are exactly. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah.
Engagement.
Man.
No. Mana ngikhuluma point yamanje. I'm really going towards the positive side. To say everyone as a normal human being vele sifuna uqakezela izandla, we want to be seen ukuthi senze izinto ezi-right. That's why even ama social media platforms or Instagram or Twitter they put a blue mark for everyone. You can buy it because they know that people are looking for this lifestyle and everyone wants to be noticed, validated as well. You know what I mean? So that's just a normal human being. But I wanted to say kunkazana lo of
Vumi.
Oh, it's not a lady.
No, it's not a lady.
Damn, bro. That was really sexist,
damn.
bro.
Man, I'm sorry. Okay, I wanted to say
No, it's
umuntu
fine,
lo
but I'm sure
ofake-
bakhona chira valembuzi fana naye.
I wanted to say umuntu ofake comment. Really look for content that makes you feel comfortable on social media. Social media,
Social.
I'm forgetting the word. What's the
Lepono.
Kusho ukuthi ufuna uqamba amanga.
Lema
No.
comments.
But no,
Mana.
sometimes more you fail.
Khuluma.
Sengikhohla ibala lakhona. But just look for content that works for you. And sometimes I know ukuthi kunzima ukusuka ku social media because
Conducive.
No, it's not conducive. No, it's not.
Khalona amakhondom angena.
Yes, dopamine as well.
Hi.
Sorry.
I'm proud of myself for
Usidingela
that.
content yakho bone algorithm.
That's more khuluma into ezinja ngeke ukuthi ama lyrics akho
Algorithm
kanjani.
yakhona izayenza
True, this is
ukuthi
fun.
algorithm yakhona nje. Uzabona eventually kuyabe kubuyi content ehambelana lawo ofuna ukuyibukela wena.
Algorithm.
Exactly, algorithm is already say that. So just scroll all the time, look for content that's building. You're feeling depressed and depression all the time. Just look for content that will make you. Hey,
Content building, yeah.
uthole podcast bechoka abantu abaneziphongo ezinkalakatha.
Very sinathi.
Exactly. So wena nxa ubona ngani podcast ayikusebenzi but ngazange ungabukeli le.
Kulelo kuzi ngawusithi udinga into eziyakhayo ndoda. Kule enye podcast engiyiboneyo umchita lana ikhuluma esithi ungayehluleka like ucommit suicide like you're a failure in life.
So they shame lena futhi.
Umuntu yabehlala esithi I'm suicidal. Sitshengise sifo. I-content enjala like awusokuhlale uthola bro i-content ekuyakhaya. At the end of the day kumele uzitshele ukuthi majority of izinto eziku-social media laphasondo zamaqini.
But balance is needed as well. Because you can't just want motivation all the time. Kumele kuhleke, kumele ukukholise, kumele ube motivated.
Namfuhle ka 24/7.
Plus i-social media yakutshengisa into ofuna ukuyibona.
Zwana undukax nga uthini mthatha?
Kumele ube set.
Yeah, because his job then he'll keep getting paid.
nini?
If you're sad, you keep
I-social media yakutshengisa into ofuna ukuyibona. Nxa ufuna ukufila ngathi wena izinto zizaba right, usearch ku-social media. Uzathola i-content ethi kuzaba right. Noma kungasoke kube right. I-reality.
One thing I've also seen is that even if you don't search for content, these social media apps, they spy the fuck out of you. Like, there's a day I had a conversation. Okay, I was going through a terrible breakup with my friend, right? I did not post about it or anything. I didn't search for content on TikTok or Instagram or whatever. As Instagram, I'm a quotes.
Yeah.
Hey, if he treats you, exactly
What exactly is happening with
and then in TikTok, algorithm.
But siyakwazi ukuthi amafoni ethu asilaleli.
No,
Yeah,
it's
man.
because you saw one thing and then because you saw 2 videos or two posts, then algorithm
And you
now
stayed
knows
on them.
and you stayed on them for an
So,
amount.
This
Like
brings
longer
me
than
amount of
to
time.
Tom Bando.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Who
actually.
Hope? What's his name? Hopeful.
Chino.
Yes. He posted
Opel.
something. He said he posted the
Opel.
he posted. He posted something about a certain country fighting for their rights, and what meanwhile, South African 2Ks are busy posting challenges, twerking, what, and then someone was like, "Do you know how algorithm works? Because that's the shit you are engaging in."
Exactly.
So if your timeline is full of 2Ks bums, why are you blaming us?
Don't fuck him up.
Okunye yazi ukuthini? Okunye has got nothing to do. You know what okunye and-
Wamaka.
Guys, okunye has got nothing to do what we watched. When you were signing up for that app, all the particular interests. Watika. Omunye had to select all. Omunye watika. That's where it is coming from.
Now
Why
we
to
say
select it
labana
uma
ngafa
interest
ku5%.
lapha?
Ni mali kurungana.
Uma interest, because that's how they generate the content, right? Because that's how they generate.
Let's move on.
I'm telling you.
Anyway, Mina. Anyway, Mina, I'd like to think, maybe let me play devil's advocate for a bit. I'd like to think social media has been around long enough now for people to know this. If in this day and age, as someone who's an adult who's been on social media for 10 years, if that kind of shit still gets you, then you are exactly the kind of person that deserves to be gotten by that kind of shit. There's just too much information about this now. This is not a new topic. Secondly, I think there's even a heavier peer pressure that might be worse than local or soft life. Look at that on surface level, bro. The worst peer pressure I feel like people might get online is getting the feeling that other people are well adjusted. You understand what I'm saying? Now, can I post only their best parts? I think that's just how anything works with a presentation, so to speak.
Yeah.
Because even the movie, no one's gonna watch that shit. So, any presentation, whether it be art, whatever, it has to just focus on the main points, which is why when people present themselves on social media, no one's gonna post the boring shit. You just, like, statistically, you only go to the airport less than 0.00% of your life, but you've got 10 pictures who say airport. So it's not a proper representation of your life, but it's the, it's the key points. Oh, here I did something big. So, Lokiana, if you still do not grasp that, and you've been on the internet for this long, it's like, how?
Okunye futhi on the issue of algorithms. I'll make an example of Facebook. If Facebook, it will, for example, if Esanda will join Facebook, it will kind of like synchronize your contacts, right? So you'll see the option you follow UK Breeze, you follow Ralph, you follow Jane. It's social media, that's how it works. So whatever you like, whatever you search, it will come onto my timeline. So one of the people, either searches those things or something. So when I like Boran and we are friends, you guys are following each other.
Yeah.
Goes up post one from Yaki timeline. Exactly. So that's how social media works. So despite when of whatever you're going to search, someone else is going to search this and you guys are linked. Instagram will think you might like it as well. So it will
confuse the algorithm.
But
Searching is useless all the time.
Like these days, notifications work. Suggestions to follow. K-Breezy follows. As using this
documentary
Yeah, libukele Tomban.
Social
Netflix, social
dilemma, I think.
Dilemma, yeah. Netflix. Just watch that thing, then you see how social media works, how into zonke zona lezi. Lapho ngakubona vele ukuthi uthanda izinto, baqala ukupostela abantu abathanda izinto. Then you feel more pressure la ugcina
uthanda izinto. Documentary khona.
Social dilemma. I think wasearch njalo uzayibona. Like abantu ababesebenza kubo Google laba bani like the psychology behind like pattern and things like that.
Lalokuyana ukuthi umuntu inxoso wami gcina kudala umfakela imessage, hey, it's been a while. I-TikTok kuyakwenza khona. Othi mfuna ukumkhulumisa
even
but when it comes to
Telegram
FB and Listen
Zaka-
to me. When it
Zaka
comes to
manje-
FB,
Zaka is mining our data, Jay.
What is
Kule-
Zaka
Wabona
do?
kubhalwe people you may know.
Zuckerberg.
One of
Ah,
the
that
people,
bro
yeah,
is
they are
mining
cheating
our
on
data,
you.
bro.
Alabana
Ngangikhuluma lo
nje.
mgcini sasikhuluma ukuthi sifuna kule nto sasikhuluma sifuna ukuzithenga. Yazi ngane ngisuka WhatsApp ngisiya ku Instagram kuma stories
Lona igehena vele
ama ads kwasuka izinto esifuna uzithenga.
Mina bro kulo muntu engimthumela ingoma leyani, don't worry, be happy, like the original wasn't.
Yeah.
Same night ku TikTok ngathi ngihamba bona ku America's Got Talent kulo Chero hamba wahlabela ingoma la. I was like, bafethu hayi.
Awumakuzuku. Anginothenga amakuwa lwa.
Mina
Ani,
ngiphikisana lo sis la bese every human being wants validation what
Validation.
Uchalela izandla ufuna uchalela
Hayi,
izandla
but you
ufuna
right.
ukuboni.
Man,
Uthi ufuna bekuboni.
Liqiniso. Hayi, mana siyizipoint ngama-40.
Wena nxa usiyayenza i-comedy usithi ufuna abantu babuye bazombona senze i-comedy. Awufuni babone bakubona uhlekisa kuphela.
Bazokuvalidate ukuthi you're a good
Ufuna
comedian.
bawuqakezela izandla nxa
Mnike
ungaqeda
mic, mnike mic,
i-performance
Simusi.
yakho.
No, but I was going there. When you come to my comedy shows, I want the money.
Yeah, but also money validates you as a man, dog.
I want the
Uqala
money.
lathi wena nje.
Money also validates you.
Ngihlala eZimbabwe, I need the money.
What do you?
Because even if you don't laugh, because even if you guys do not laugh, even if you guys don't laugh, you paid at the door.
But if we don't laugh, we're not coming into the next show.
Then
You
you're
get
not
what I'm
my
saying?
target market.
No.
Then you're not my target market. What's up? Where upela abanye? You're not my target market. We move.
Mafoti ukhuluma njalo ngoba uyawazi ukuthi abantu bazahle.
I-target market yakho mafoti yiyo phelele validation wena leyifunayo. Wena mafoti ungazuke kusasa uyi-billionaire, you wouldn't want to go perform. Of course, angisesithi awuyisayenzela imali suyi-billionaire sule mali. You didn't want to perform in front of empty seats. You'd want an audience.
In front
What
of
do you
West
want
Park.
from that audience? So
West Park.
A dead crowd.
exactly. So vele she's right. We all want validation to some point.
Yatufakile kuze nini mfana wami uzwe.
Kula ama alive, kula ama alive.
Hamuke mfani.
Kula ama alive dead crowds.
A stand-up comedy like
But guys,
Philistine.
mina
People who are
ngifuna
not my
ukulitshela
target
ukuthi
market.
ku-FB and
Kodwa naso ngayithuna
lapha
phela.
nokubhalwe people
Ani
you may
akutshela.
know. Lo abakuchitha la. Definitely there.
Women people you may know.
People you may know. Wesi kuyathutsha oyi-1 so ka
Random.
5. Then ngesikhathi relationship isiphelile.
Ubona nge-photo shoot.
Ubone sibe bonke.
This bitch. Mark tried to tell me but I wasn't listening.
Yeah, laleli.
But you guys, you need to shout out to girls. Like, out of the 5,038 following list, uyakwazi ukumdopa yena nani uyi-1. Ungathi uyi-problem.
Eta abantu abatshona besenzana ama-memes, boss. Ngilava.
Zama ukuthi bra, check this out.
Kukhona lapho kwenzakala.
Check
Iyafuna
this
yini
out.
ukuzichekela. Hayi.
Uthumela umdudo kwamanuthu na
Ignore.
usile ameni manje ungathumeli. Zama utshela ukuthi do the right thing, send those nudes.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies
Shout out
and
to the question.
gentlemen.
boys and girls,
Fine.
welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast. Sisezulu dala sacinkulu umthi sirekodela ngapha.
Yes,
We are
yes, yes.
Zulu-
This is Zulu fashion now.
If you
Zulu
want-
fashion.
Yazi
Zulu
Zulu fashion
fashion
now
now.
siyapho ngoba yingikhaya.
Yes. Sokunkhaya.
Sise Zulu
Sekotela
fashion house.
ngikhaya.
Yathini read kaJane leyana? If you need the fashion, what
If you need some pizzazz.
if you need some pizzazz.
Shop number
Pizzazz
10.
and some Bible, man.
Libuye lapha lizokhala but this outfit is actually really bonkers, bro.
Yep.
I saw it.
This is
But
crazy,
le-
right? It's something from Japan, bro.
But
Looks like
le
something
kumele la
from Japan.
uyigqoke
It's
uhamba like
crazy, yeah.
nge-GD6.
Mele start video.
Cause-
Yeah,
Labantu
ungena
bayibona.
kumbayiwa.
Cause ungaphuma kumbayi uthi kathi kathi Jane uchayi karate.
Ale
Hayi
ikara.
basela gole these days.
La uthenga la ngamasobho abantwana la. Introvert.
Kula ma-G-string
Kali
futhi.
Jane suku Jackie Chan.
Akhona ama-G-string Jane. Ngiyabona ngikhayela fana akhona lapha.
Thenganini lama pants of the G kind. La khona lapha.
Lapha
Isigqoko
sile
ze-every age.
Of
Sile
the
nto
G
yonke la.
variety.
To have
Eh, lama
kiddies
polo
things.
neck.
No. To have kiddies things.
Nah.
No,
But-
we don't do kids here.
Gen Z kusiya phezulu.
Ya
Pause.
vele uhlubone ngokuthi
Pause.
nxa
Yeah,
kuthengiswa ama-G-string
pause,
uhlube
pause,
kwazi
pause.
ukuthi,
We even have nice decorations. Shout out to Mpex.
Shout out to Mpek Saipa.
Yeah, mpelo kudala sacina lokunika shout out to Mpek Cyber. Labantu abakhomentayo ku podcast. Guys, siyali appreciate kakhulu.
Lonke.
Lababukelayo bethule
ngabona-
Yenu lonke.
Ngabona omnye okhomentayo wathi thanks guys. Ubona ukuthi no man. umuntu lo
Thanks.
khoyinsile.
Thanks.
Thanks, like thanks. So bakhona buze ngilokhu nge-membership bese like nxa usezim
kulala bana bajayele ukukhomenta ngama-10 siyabonga siyabonga
Unfortunately.
asikayidli imali yakhona siyayidla maybe ngoDisember but thank you.
Unfortunately, nxa useZimbabwe i-membership YouTube ngathi isavalela phandle abantu. So I don't know ukuthi singenza njani
so
alternative.
into esingayenza maybe
Babona
WhatsApp
Ralph.
group ubufaka imali ku-inbox
Babona Ralph.
Bese siku-approve lapha.
sesiku-approve
Sifake numbers kaba eziza receive imali yakho.
sekufake ezikama
Khuluma numbers zakho.
40
Kanye futhi ngoba no-inbox wena.
I don't work in inbox. I was doing an advert with them.
no mina
Ngizofaka
zami
inamba yami,
ukuthi
guys.
i-problem yenumber zami not to sound like Chris Brown but I wouldn't want to be messing around with my relationship.
Bathathe mthawini.
Yes sir ngiyazidlalela guys ngizafaka inumber zami
Sifake inamba.
Ngizafaka ezami
ezomsebenzi
also.
Sifaka abantu like
Jen.
too many man. Sibe le
Uyafaka
party.
zakhe
Yini ngiyenzani?
Bakuthumezela abantu izinto.
Sibe le party ngoDecember.
Imali zabantu.
sinikwenza iphathi ngoDisember
Ini?
Andiyabo
Imali benu.
bengikutshelile ukuthi nxa ukhuluma awubambi mic. Kathesweni.
nguma-40 le vele le ngengumike
Thatha
chimumbe
Sorry phela.
sorry la
Tshela
Family feud futhi.
tshela abantu ukuthi uzohamba.
Retso
So
tjena.
the family feud.
Tshela abantu uzohamba.
No, I might come back. I might not come back. I'm not sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yini
See you
kuse-toilet
second
lapho
round.
uyangena uyaphuma.
Awushaya amabhazi lapha, awuvalise amabhazi lapha.
No, mafoti ungakahambi. Kulelo kuzenini.
Man, very beautiful.
Man. Mafoti ngananzelela ukuthi kule ama-comedy angena ngezingoma lapha xa besiyayenza into zawo. Suka namhla la ingoma yakho uma ungena ku-comedy. Yile.
Get to relax.
Relax, bro.
Yi-entrance song yakho
You
le.
must relax sending this. It's been a dream of mine. To rap.
Must relax sending the things. Just chill down.
Just chill down, bro. Yeah. What do you want? Records and records are basically hold up. No Farrakhan. I wouldn't live with myself if I hold up. Give you the baton.
Yes, mafoti.
I need the lyrics.
Don't worry about the
I'll need the
lyrics.
No. You need to understand when my script is written for that song. Like every song I use at the beginning is part of my script.
Mina ngikhulumela ukuthi ozayisebenzise.
No. Now you get it up on the stage.
Eh.
That song is part of the script.
Hayi.
I'm telling you.
Lalela. Kulabanye vele abasebenza ingoma. Ukhona osebenza ingoma eyi-1 ndiyawazi.
Mina, like I said, I don't do that. My songs, ingoma esebenza the show.
Osebenzisa
It's
the-
scripted. No, it's scripted. It's scripted, my guy.
Uzongusitshela ama-script.
So I'm not. At least I'm telling the truth. I just need the lyrics, and I know good. Okay. So
Sengiyavetwa
this is what the
ngama-40
song-
namhla mina.
No, I'm not vetting
Don't
you.
disrespect
I'm
me
not-
like that.
I won an award over you. Remember?
Hey dog, siyachitha
Sharp.
ama-mic la. Siyachitha ama-mic sikali la.
Sharp. No, don't worry. I'll listen to the whole song, but I will definitely use it in my next show.
Uyitshaya ingoma
My
leyo.
one-man show is in December, so I'll definitely use it.
Oh, shut up, bro. Shut up.
Machance, liyakwazi ukuthi ekhanda lami ngisengacompartmentalize izinto to a point ukuthi when I come to the podcast, I just come to the podcast and I forget that I'm actually an entire artist. I-episode
I've
last
seen
week.
it.
Yeah?
I saw it.
Dog, episode last week, I thought to myself, oh, the episode is coming out on Monday. My album is coming out on Monday. So I'm going to get there and at least tell people my album just dropped because when the...
But it's a
Yakhona.
good thing, yabo?
But I know, vele kahle kahle sazokhuluma nge-album like sijule vele singene kiyo. But before sifike lapho,
Sasidikida lolu daba.
siqale sikhulume
album should
nje.
probably be the last thing because we're going to take too
Yeah.
much time so let's wrap up whatever we're trying to do.
Ukhona ufuna ukukhuluma ngokwenzakala eKenya right now?
Yeah.
Because kulama protest ayenzakalayo, ama youth ayaprotesta. Owulini? Obathi opresident abasamfuni.
But on the 27th.
We are there. We will be there no matter what.
No matter what. Lena manje iyo
Is he democratically elected, the president?
Will be there. Yeah?
Is the president, was he democratically elected?
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems.
There's nothing they can do.
Dog, they can. But
If they were able to.
anyway, in context, there was some bill that was passed that wasn't favorable to my citizens.
Tax bill, yeah.
takes, so something like that. Then people were like, no,
Yo.
we don't.
Hey, what up, cousin?
Hamba njani? Do this live go podcast la.
I know. That's why I'm calling.
Hamba njani?
Ngifuna ngomali live.
Basu hamba kathi indaba ungabeyanga kanti.
Hayi ukubuye kuphuma kunye bemile ngolobola lapha eHarare TV.
Lobola wena.
Ngiyalobola nje.
Uyasokola ngoba uyalobola kanti uthini?
Uthi uyalobola.
Ngiyalobola
wena.
So both answers are true. Uyasokola.
Man. Cool. Uthini?
Anu abengilobola sir. Senzime order for tomorrow I'll be taking time for Iba.
Oh.
Shut up,
bro.
Nah, cool, man. Hope you guys are recording well, eh?
Yes, sir. I'm just
We are, bro.
Slow frost.
Slow frost la.
Hey,
Zwana susithini futhi.
Where's the owner? He's a good guy, right?
Yes, sir.
Siyabonga Mpandu. Number 1. I-technology wangani bami. Uyangena lonke liyakhuluma siyazwanana.
Okay, cool, thanks.
Besikhuluma in Kenya.
Yeah, so I didn't see long and short of it. Ukuthi kwaba le bill that people were not agreeing with, and then they took it to the streets.
Ukukhweza ama-taxis.
Yeah, and some lost their lives, some disappeared, some got injured, some, I know you
When
can
they were protesting.
but so eventually the president consider the city is not going to try and push that bill. But now abantu sebebonile ukuthi they can sort of
bezembona
So becela isandla sebefuna ingane.
becela isandla sethe isikhathi sebengani sebefuna la president wakwachiya. So let's see how it's going to pan out. Maybe episode later iphuma ke sona new developments, but yeah, as it stands now, the bill has been reversed and the people won essentially.
usithola abantu besithi ku-Twitter kuthiwa amazim ubonile uChris Exen.
Ngamavila.
Bekule picture bekhengela abana besestradeni then eZimbabwe bekule bhoda jumper so
Thayinda.
yabo
Akufana Zimbabwe sokwaphuma abantu abaningi.
Akufanani.
Not saying anything, but abantu sebaphuma.
Mina into engayitsho.
No, but I saw South Africans defending us.
But abantu sebaphuma eZimbabwe, even lama votes la ngendlela ethi yakutshiyana ama percentage amancane ngaba bekhona lapha, maybe things are going. I don't, maybe, just maybe.
Yeah,
maybe.
Into lezi vele
Chris
ziyasho.
uke aposta athi every time you try to cook Zimbabwe sidliswa
ileke.
of squats. Lo.
Lini igqoka iflag edisenza
Igqoka ipen.
ngubani?
Eyithweka.
Ngubani Joda?
Awumjito ayithweka
Remember
igqoka
the
ipen
masculine njani igqoka ipen le flag ye South Africa.
And I think what makes it worse is
Hello,
that
Mzimba ka Hercules.
squats came here.
The king of squads came here, yeah.
Yeah.
Ocheri baqola njani ndifevela nje remember lana.
Liyazi ipicture kavuyelo King of Squats there.
That
is a funny picture.
I've never seen so much like muscular ass in that in one picture like that.
La ipicture kavuyelo King of Squats. Wesof ipicture yakho ungayikhangela usungayifaka. Ipicture yakho uvuya benje so King of Squats ebephulumi. Uvuye seceleni ethe. Lokhanti wayekhuluma ipoint lana so Rico uvuye wathi yazi put us. Mina staff ngilaswa but wena
when uyangidlula
wena I just want to be like you bro.
Wesiyazi lokho ikhulu iduka kamemba lanto. Lokho ipost
King of Squats vuno zonke lezi yana indoda.
First man ukuthi adle ngesonto.
Ukuba lazo is fine. It's not fine.
It's not fine.
No, it has happened. But ukuzimonetize manje.
Ugqoka njani? Ugqoka njani lokuzenini? Isudu.
Angavela ejele nkosi yami.
Isudu lezi zonke lezi.
Uyahle qaliswa ngamapholisa ngakwa.
Yabona okuyizinto loka ukuthi kuyafika ukuthi kuyafika kuhlale zo.
Esiboneni.
Ayipakile inkabi le.
Ayipakile.
Yeah, inkabi.
Awungayibisile inkabi.
Inkabi. But yeah, no. Iko wenzakalayo in Kenya. But I say no compare because
Asikhulume eKenya sagcina sikhulume izivunu zathi mina ayilani kodwa hayi.
no, phela nje besikhuluma ukuthi
Ade kuyi-commentary check.
On what nigga?
Ukuthi abanye bayabethweka abanye beprotesta phela.
Ukuthi thina asi-protest what then people started sending that picture. What every time we cook Zim, they send that picture.
Nah.
Yeah, kunzima.
Thina sisa-protesta abantu lo watshengisa ipicture lana ngo-August 2017. You remember that?
I remember, bro.
You must look at those pictures every time you want to talk about.
But that
people
picture is not
protesting.
even as gory, bro, as what I saw. I saw a picture of someone's brains on
That
the road,
was
bro.
crazy. That was crazy. But
She was
nah,
crazy. Did
I
you
know
see
those
someone's
pictures.
brains on the road?
And they were
Ah.
like, besongani as
Beungaphi like
Which one
like
was
Kenya umengala?
Kenya ndoda.
Like someone
Umuntu
it was a
ingqondo zakhe
headshot.
bezilaphana yini lapha.
Yini? Ithiwa yini ingqondo?
Ubuchopho.
Ubuchopho.
Dog.
No, it's not a laughing matter.
Headshot, bro. 50 caliber business. Got the streets
block
talking
talking.
like
You
I
guys
know
say
who
it
the
like
stick is.
The streets talking. Huh?
Hey, say it like
The
that.
block moving is
Don't
dangerous.
say it in a funny way.
Yes, I am back breaking top 20s like DiCaprio's
DiCaprio's
hit
hit
list. So I was talking about top 20 list Egoma radio station. I'm now breaking every top 20. But you know, DiCaprio likes
uthanda
girls who are in
abantwana.
their 20s. And he breaks their backs. I am back breaking top 20s like DiCaprio. My chance. There are layers to just how good I am. There is like 6 layers to how good I am, dog. It is mind bending.
Oh my God.
Niba WhatsApp anithi karabana utheni phosi.
Ngano.
So yeah. That's what's up.
Lo scheme labo okudala wagcina ukuba seZimbabwe but ekhala ukuthi these days asakhulumi ngokwenzakalayo like eZimbabwe. Yini enzakalayo like what's the current news?
Kuyagodola sesikhuluma ukuthi kuyagodola.
Dola.
Kulohlangano liyana futhi
Send jerseys.
Ozolu engaliposta la. Like I think amabhrugu akhe.
Olona busy lapha.
Wagqoka amabhrugu akhe hawa and then I guess his schedule is so tight. He didn't have the time to just remove them. So amabhrugu akhe ngoba yi6 aphansi lapha. Uwuka so.
Kulelinye phezulu kodwa. Kulelinye phezulu.
Then akule bhrugu aligqokileyo but kule amabhrugu amaningi. I think over time asewile but he has shit to do and places to get to.
You
So he
drip,
doesn't have
guys.
the time.
You guys don't understand. That's fashion, bro.
Chekwazi walka njani chomla walka so.
Of course you would say that.
Kharakazala wona ibhrugu lenzo nguyonje linjalo kodwa.
But umuntu
Lazima-
eliza ukukhuluma
Uyoji.
ngamba ndilambona.
Mina ngimbona.
Ivideo yakho ngiyisend uyifake la.
Ngizidlalela lana guys. Uhlanga lana. Bona nathi event uhlanga.
Manga utshengise nje.
Isend.
But umgcini uzayifaka la.
Podcast yo.
Ngithe ngizidlalela guys also fashion. Yazi umuntu
Wanyela.
bazamjaja la.
Apha ucanga ukuthi abantu abanjalo bro umqando lo hey
Hey.
Yeah, twa nxa ungekho serious ngokuba yisponda
But
ngiyewedlalela
I actually would like to like
Thina ukho that bait.
bra. Ezulwini ule connection.
kumele sibili ube ngulwana oshingayo ukuthi hayi
Committed.
ufuna uyenza.
But you guys, okay, saying ngifuna into serious like me and my friends we are currently donating like to a children's home.
Oh, that's
Yes.
nice.
So you guys, if you want to donate anything, you can.
Who's you and your friends?
No, it's like a.
Let's do it saying is phone phakathi.
So I'm like, thanks October today. No, but anyway.
so man abafuna because abantu bakuthatha serious la. Abantu
Like, they
bathatha
can
serious.
contact
Man.
any one of us.
Abantu bathatha serious ukudonatela
Hey,
abanye
we're
thina sicela sicela
donating
imali.
clothes. We're not.
So,
we're not
khuluma.
donating.
Nansi nikhuluma.
We're not.
Wahleka futhi kwesithu.
No, the thing is, no.
As-
Umngane wami wabona omunye umntana elele phandle egqoke like yabona ishandisi yesama and you know how cold it is, eh? And babelele bebaningi, so we just started like
Abantu
collecting donations from like 2 weeks back.
abafuna
So we
ukudonate
take
abadinga
them
abanye.
there. Any we can join like in
So
Merge.
what are you looking for? Like clothing items?
clothes, blankets, anything.
Oh, okay.
But not money.
So it's like a drive.
Oh.
It's like a winter
it's like
drive.
a winter drive.
Did I just give you a title?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, man. What's up?
Winter drive.
Yes, winter drive.
Like,
Yeah, so blankets, clothes, shoes. Yeah. No, it's okay.
Ah, no, continue.
Sengiqedile.
Yazi laba
Besithi leke libabone labana abagqoka amabheju.
ngayithungele ipicture ngone do
Nga.
abama begqoka ama-G-string etown
kunabantu bagqoka amabheji ebulawayo
do bethuso ngathungela ipicture ngone mana
amajita
babe bengela anything like
but ngayithungela
Ah, wena
ipicture
ngane wakhayela isikhathi eside wena
try ndoda
lo
Guys, bagqokani?
but
Guys, what are you saying? What are you saying these guys are doing? Angilizwa.
now kuthiwa kunamajita agqoka amabheji ebulawayo
Nothing else.
like vibes
the vibe for vibes
asibaboni
Ah, kuqanda so. Dang-a-lang.
the Z-therapy
Intamo zibuhlungu.
the Z-therapy urges the public not to engage in online dating with strangers. This follows an incident which occurred in which a female adult, 28, from
Before June.
Says it's an adult.
22 June. That's like 6 days ago.
Yeah, bantu enzakeleyo my sister was raped ngomuntu ahlangane laye online bahlangane lodge. So linanzelela abantu elikhuluma labo laba ku internet. Lihle lihlangane
Ku-internet.
bahlangane lodge
hlangane lodge bro.
okay
so creepy. Why would you meet at? I'm saying,
but,
why would you meet at a lodge when
The
you guys...
abantu
but let's not be victim blamers here,
abantu
you know?
was single guys.
Or I'm so sorry. Sorry.
No, but
But I'm
itsho
just
mina
asking.
umbuzo
Yeah.
wakho valid
Yeah,
umbuzo wakho
but-
valid but at the same time
you don't want to be a
abantu
victim blamer but damn.
abantu Jay like was single
But
manje la.
he's giving Mavuzo tonight.
No, I think people should just be careful. I think it's a lesson ukuthi nxa umuntu-
Yeah, sinanzelele
when they're
guys,
doing the
because, hey,
dating things.
amapholisa akwasa
Also,
ama-strangers
you guys
yomnandi
stop raping women. What the hell?
that's true I mean do we still need to say it
Aya.
Nicholas?
That
Ah, yeah,
statement
you guys
having
also
make sense when someone is
khuzani
feeling
into
some
zenu.
type of way. in
Yo
the
man I
movies.
saw a guy I think he's a local artist he wrote on Twitter
Oh, okay.
that he was sexually assaulted by a friend of a drinking group. He just remembers Iena saying no and then he blacked out. But he said he couldn't do anything about it because there was no penetration. So I read the story.
He's a guy. They
Yeah,
penetrated him.
Mana. He was what?
You see my thinking now. So I was reading it. I'm like, what's happening here? Who's penetrating? Like, it's written in such an ambiguous way, dog, where it's just like...
Episodes.
No, the thing is also
where's
as
Twitter?
no, the thing is also as a man, it's very difficult for you to come out and say you were sexually assaulted by another man.
But then he said
whether
something.
you penetrated or not.
He said something about Z-therapy later, but he couldn't do anything. The laws in Zimbabwe don't allow what. He couldn't be sorry.
Shut up your mouth.
And then he said he didn't do gender labeling to protect. I think and then I saw a tweet of his saying, it's the reason, like an unrelated tweet like from weeks before SCT. This is why I prefer dating men. I was like, I see.
Or he's a gay artist.
Yes, I think so.
Oh, now
So
I
he
don't
was
think he
assaulted by
hides
who?
it. Yes, so I think it happens even when it's just nigga on nigga.
naphosa ngachaya uvalo
Anyway, it makes sense because also straight women are assaulted by men, right? Sexually assaulted by men. So that
Straight
means-
women.
Yes, like straight women who
Yes.
only sleep with men
Yes.
are
So I'm
sexually
saying-
assaulted by men. So it makes sense for gay people to be sexually assaulted by men as well.
Yeah, but I
Because
think
that's your OG sexuality.
yes, but I think for this guy, it was like two people of the community who sexually assaulted each other.
Men.
Yes. It's a guy and he was talking about another guy. That
I was
sexually-
thinking it was a hand, maybe oily group.
That's
like,
what I
as a
thought at
bomb,
first.
ukuthi-
But the way the tweet was written, it was so
Ngongane
ambiguous.
kunjani?
Like, no sex was being attributed to the perpetrator. This person, then this person, and I'm gonna he didn't or she didn't. So the structure of the tweet kind of just raised my eyebrow a little bit, and then I scrolled down. All I'm saying is I'm just bringing this up to say I was genuinely shocked to see this also happens, because I think when we think of Abantu community, our entire stance or what can I say, knee-jerk reaction has always been just the approval of their sexuality as a norm, and then you forget Kuti, they are also going through shit in there as a people.
Okay.
Do you hear my point?
Yes.
but kulo muntu wabuzayo ngambukele uMacG ngisole buza ukuthi i-gender based violence nxa kunjalo i-GBV nxa ukuthi amajida
Uyinkabi ezimbili
no
nje.
ngamalo kuze like valid question ukuthi i-GBV
But if you're similar
Kumbe
gender,
gender based violence.
awupresa ngafona hapo, awupresa ngafona hapo.
Ngizvalela la hey.
Daddy Mike, forever.
inalimekelila
Nah, bro. That one has moved up the charts. That's your banger now.
ngizamile ukungamekela
Mfana lapho ukhuluma idoti.
ngizamile ukungamekela namekile but it's fucked up like for real
Gender based violence.
khuluma nini maybe nxe abantu bangasitshela ukuthi bacabangani into lezi sikhuluma ngazo because
Fact check awugcine ethi asikho. Singazi njalo.
wathi lokuze nini wathi
It's just
assault.
violence, right?
Yeah.
Hey, assault.
Here's another crazy thing that I also was told by someone who is active in the law community. YCT. The other problem that happens with legalizing, when they're talking about or legalizing gay rights or homosexuality, maybe the only thing that is actually in question is the marriage situation. But for anything else, there is nothing that can happen to those people that is not already covered by some sort of law. Like, it doesn't need to be a gay law. That was hate speech, dog.
Yeah.
Or someone said something nasty about
Hlala kulo
you. It's
mthetho,
defamation of character. It's assault. There's always a charge against that. So it's like this guy was saying, this is really difficult because these people, there's already laws that cover everyone, regardless of race, ethnicity, and sexual orientation. But they want to have now a special group of laws, which already apply to everyone. But so to allow us saying, wait.
Mike Chimombelo, Moses Mpofu, babochiwe. Ngezinye news ezenzakala lapha ngazi beselizwile imbinga.
Shout out to Mpofu. Hey, epicture lena bamkeliyo begqoke emaxhosa dog.
Begqokeni? Picture ye-Mike.
Impahla zakaladu.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Akola chivaya.
Twashimbombe mautsa pacha pana chifana. Lafana uphekile umayira. Umayira uyapheka nje.
Umayira ngani vele ngiyedwa
opheka.
Ole straight.
Kana majida so abotshelweni exactly.
It's one of those, dog.
To arrested over 88 million presidential goat scheme.
They actually took Mbutsi Yadura to an entire new level, dog.
which aimed to supply more than 6,000.
600,000, bro.
Lapha but 6,000.
6,000.
The 5-year plan was to supply 600K. That's why it's $87 million. But what you laba hope welandela uJaya kufuya imbuzi.
Thoba 40 million.
Yeah, hope uJaya ufuya imbuzi. So yena uthi le breed yembuzi leziyana was way too overpriced.
Buzi man bheka wenzeni.
Because if it's gonna be anything that like
because there's a complex $30 why yenzi leziyana member labana
leziyana zidla amacondom wena imbuzi zonziyana
yizo thu abazithenga manje bona
zidla ngaphi leziya
zidliwa ngabafana
so icondom walithola phakathi ubuye lingene ngomlomo
we talked about boys who fuck goats all the time
uyibulala ibhogo ayibona ngale
ubulenzani ibhogo kai ngokuthiwa ngengubani imembele lezo la
sebekukhandile mfana ibrugwele phansi
bafana nabana ngombhebheni
kuleli video kathi umntwana wakhandwa elinje la yibona wakhandwa elinje I think ujela basebele isikhathi bemsuspect into engayivuyivele esipani ngene erumini lenja le
even ekhaya kwenzakala kakhulu
nje ngasobathithenza
inje
wayifida dog if ithi khona la iphone yami because uthi umokhona bafika bekhaka umnyango so
bemthole ibambini
uqile ndoda
ayiselantu
wena lenje engacomplain
yeah wembuzi kokuthiwa ngumamboy wena mamboy ubulenzani ibho
wasifana nenja awuna sandla
Really, that's the question, dog.
Awuna sandla ekuzaleni
kuthola sekhaya kenzakala
into bengisho ukuthi imember leziyana kuthiwa le mhlobo embuzi ababezithenga they're not even buying like those special breeds they're just buying cheap ass goals for like as a
But
25
overpriced
past.
it.
But I feel like
here one versus
yikho vele
175 or
like
something.
amagame amathenda vela njalo bro. Amathenda
360 what?
Like a goat was going for like $360. AY.
That's weird ngani.
According
Phela no.
to
Them.
Lingakhumbuli ukuthi kule trans phakathi angikwazi zivela.
Kati inkomo emalini?
That's yeah.
Inkomo ngama 350 kusiya phezulu.
3, 4, 5, huh?
Yeah.
Hayi imbuzi
5.
zakhona zazifuya
Five.
ngitsho ukuthi ngonkomo. So iko zazile price yenkomo.
3, 4, 5.
Plus babezifitela kujiwa khona lena kama chimombe.
3, 4, 5.
But can I say this? Was it for something like command agriculture?
Okay.
Like to give out to
Yes, something like
okay.
that. Something
So
like
in that kind of situation, you can't give like an expensive breed to people who do like sustenance farming. You need like those adapted ones.
But why, mind you, why would they overprice them like that?
Reason ngwana kwipaleni.
Black.
Oh, mina ngibona uCK this side. So say mountain. Kupale dick.
And not him.
Yeah.
Mama yena uthi athi ngwana ipaleni ne. But yeah. Ama cheapers creepers awochiwe.
So yeah.
No, I think
But it's not like Baba Chiwe. Then Baba someone Isaac. Then
Abochiwe. I
Ngokuyi-
saw him
ngokuyi
coming
soft
out
arrest.
of a
then was
prison
to
truck
yeah,
today,
Baba spend in night. I think maybe by tomorrow they'll be free.
It's a small price to pay for 88 M's. Fuck that shit.
By now to be having 88. But this is when
only
year.
Would you do 5 nights for
40.
88 M's?
I'll do a year.
14?
Eh, ba only
I'll
get
do
4
2 years for
Yeah.
88.
But bongala next.
That's life-changing money, dog.
Bayiphendukisa anyway. Because mina ngingatshontsha 88 million ngaze ngihambe ejele for 20 years anilanda.
Yeah, 88.
As long lingandithathelanga ukuthi 88 million.
Yeah, this is more ukuthi
Ah,
bakuthathe.
bonke bazobathathela lapha. Sebathathela, I doubt.
Who is that Obert guy?
Which one?
Hey, there's a tweet of his.
Nah,
Went
he's
viral.
chilling. He's chilling in the cut.
He posted something.
Today?
Omunye City. No, it was like 2 days ago. So he posted something. Then someone was like, "Here we now 15 billion. Wabemphendula to 15 billion ngunyoko."
Yeah. Sometimes abantu bafuna njalo vele ku social media.
Yeah, Opet vele ashone ngithethe abantu.
Yeah, ifuna njalo sometimes.
He didn't.
Ah, shame.
But kule gaming yibone ku TikTok. Talking about this or that. So ikubuza kuphela umbuzo ukuthi Jende
Boru.
Jende. Benokuzukhetha wena ukuthi ufunani. A true love or a cheater with money?
I bought him Minecraft. Sizwa bayibathini.
True love or a cheater with money?
Is this question directed to women or?
Wonke like
Hayi but asenze so.
Abalepha, yeah.
Manje asenze so. Siyaqasa ku break down ama scenario because mina sengifuna ukubuza
Yeah,
ukuthi
linga-
how broke are we ku true love?
Nah.
Like are we bad or I like this how this smoke out like 2 months.
Lapha
Siya
spend
broke or rich?
I need true love.
True love. True love.
True love.
imali yona.
Guys, alikwazi ukuthi.
What a stupid girl.
Mina ngeke. You go be right.
Nee.
Is the question
Angikhulumi.
am I getting true love but mina ngile yami imali? Or
Manje-
so you tooth was broke.
Manzithi money sithi rich la. Asikhulumi ngemali yokugada umthombo.
Asikhulumi ngemali.
Lokuyana ukuthi sengaba le urus
Asikhulumi
edonsa quad bike.
$5,000.
Sikhuluma umuntu rich dog. Rich.
Nxa ngijithela ngiyamthanda kenza ubuhlungu mbe ngijithela nani?
Rich as fuck. Rich.
Yani ka
Mina.
Yeah,
Mina.
she's saying true love.
True love, yeah.
Mina.
Dog. Rispo.
this is what.
Yeah, wait, now scum leader.
Jake, but then you city boy, dog. So if you give me your money and you cheat, I'll take your money and go cheat more. But I'm playing. True love.
Boys. True love.
Frost.
True love, dog. Yeah, no.
For me, balance, boss.
You can
Wait, now.
Pick one, mtaba.
But I can have both, though.
Nah.
I can have both.
Situation le
Utsali
mdala.
true love lo muntu okuthithela.
Said true
Aye.
love or cheat.
Mina I'm saying both.
Ku situation le ngesikhuluma ngayo ukwanisa
There's
ukukhetha
only two
dog.
options. True
Kumele
love
ukhethe
or
one.
cheater with man.
Nah, true love.
True love.
Yeah.
Le ithando,
The dumb.
Ni true love zanga experience.
Yabona ukuthi
It's like you're desperate for love.
not even.
What's wrong?
Guys.
What's wrong, Sizwe?
Ubani mina?
It's like you're desperate for love.
Is this forever and ever or for like 5 years?
Forever.
Chomi, uyambona uChomlana uphume Facebook two months back. I tandana lo magogo lana, can you stand that? It's still there.
With the one with the white granny.
Yeah.
He's there for money.
No. Can you stand that?
No mnangafiki. Andi lisa.
No, nyabuza.
But
here's the question, because for us gents, and if it's true love or money, as a guy, it's either magogo to that extent.
Yeah,
When you're
I swear.
No, but I feel like no. When directed to
women and
to women.
Yes.
So ngaphendula la but ikhona futhi eminye imbuzo ezabuya futhi emergency. But Jane, pendula hava.
Cheater with money.
Cheater with money.
Because let me tell you something, guys.
Let me tell you something.
Me, I've been around in the world for long. Let me tell you something, huh? Love will give you the same fucking problems. Love, no matter how good 10, love will give you the same problems. I'd rather have those problems in a black Brabus than in bar.
But let's say in this scenario, this is the true love that doesn't have those problems.
I've had. There's no such thing. There is no such thing. Everything has a
hyper.
Then why is there comparison?
I've experienced true love, and then there comes that
Look
time.
Look at
it wasn't
true love.
No, you can experience
in
true
this
love.
scenario. We are saying this is a
scenario.
True love.
Let me say, you can experience true love. Like you love like but I'm a problems, and guys, I'm a problems. I have fanana.
Okay.
My relationships. Okay, maybe difference is good. Maybe labana babe bonya babe kushaya kakhulu. Lapha bakushayira.
Bonya likwaziyo lina yini?
Man, I haven't finished speaking. Babe kushaya. Lapha abakushaya.
But have you noticed ukuthi
And then kule lovely ani ukuthi there was emotional abuse. Wawusenda ama-text angu-4 aqakathekileyo aphendule yi-1 yana.
Jane nalapha ngano le PTSD.
Useless.
Ule PTSD.
What the fuck the big three?
Ule
Guys,
PTSD.
do you know ukuthi umuntu
For this
lona
scenario,
omthandayo?
Jane, for this
The
scenario.
person you love the most is the one who has the most power to hurt you.
Yeah, the scenario
Do you know the age?
So Mina, I would rather be the experience.
Umfana lo
I-
asimdingi lo. Ha.
Mina,
yeah, lo kanya wayenza inamba
the
sibili.
hurt, I would
Wapaka
rather
engqondweni
experience
la.
that hurt in a financially stable environment.
So
But then we're saying
my
this
case.
particular one is not going to have those problems.
Why?
Yes.
No, for this scenario, for this
second to Jane, right
Ayikho
answer
leyo,
again. Maybe
guys.
naked.
But then the scenario gonna say
Kabelo
exist.
uthe lokhu zenini true love. Uthe true love.
Fuck that shit. I want some money next year.
When I saw, would you choose a useless girl with good sex
What about
or
the
a
granny,
girl
bro?
with mid?
Phela umfazi ole good sex
But-
akho useless. Abafazi balama-use amalutshwane vele. Like 3 max.
No, but lapha phela songenye scenario le.
Okay, sorry.
Uthini
Okay,
wena?
let's keep back to it.
No actually buza.
Let's say there's a hand that you're with, huh? She's got mid 6.
So sithi mid
She's
sex
very-
land.
That is 60 to 70% of your utility on fast. So you become useful immediately.
Yes, that's money to women.
So phela ungathi umfazi useless or good at sex.
It's
That's like saying if football player
have
is
you seen
useless
those
but
tweets?
ihloshayo.
I have seen those conversations and you engage in them. Which
I know
I just looked at my hand inside.
Bengizlalela.
When you see
I-sex
something on
emergency
Twitter-
lasts 17 seconds or something. Angathi naliyenza njani. But mina ngiyenza during i-advert baba. Angikuthi next. Angikuthi next ku series.
Manga ngcono ube
Fast,
yi-cheater
fast.
shem.
Yeah, mina ngiyaqala
Ngoba
imali.
bazokucheater futhi ku-true love.
Yaqala imali mntana.
Aqala imali.
Hayi MJ, lena ni scenario leyo you understand. This is a hypothetical scenario where you actually meet that love that you think is impossible. That one.
Have
You
you been there before?
Nah, if then it wasn't impossible. If you've been there,
Ujenze ufuna ukukhala.
Guys,
if you've been there, it's not impossible. That's possible because you've been there. I'm saying
I've been in
every-
5 successful relationships. Got
Mana
successful
kutshela, the deeper
njani?
the love, the deeper the wound.
I've been in 5 successful
You'd rather have that
relationships.
deep wound
5
with
njani
money
wena?
involved
Change wamenzani ke?
than to experience that love and there's no money. You're hungry. Your stomach is crying. You're also crying.
Kade
Ah!
Endlini akula kuhle.
And this vumelana lawo and ngokungaso true love. Sisi.
It was true love.
No, it's
No.
fine. I mean,
Why?
nje Nanithe ngiyakhetha imali bangani bami.
Fidi. Mina ngifuna ukuyakha like
singajayela into yomdeparture imali phambili okunye sakubona. So
When
I think
people, so
I think the
Why
next
should
one is
love?
for the gents.
Kwabe true love. Omunye utshone chayisa le true love yakhe every 2 months.
Every 2 months.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah,
My
but
question
that's
is
what I-
hypothetical, guys.
hypothetical.
It's it's highly unlikely that you
Who's
find
that?
someone who just wants to pamper you with their money. When we are saying,
it's not
imali
that.
semsebenzini.
It's
So-
not that.
Liyeke into zamaphampa lezi.
Imali semsebenzini. Leke liyagiza.
It also comes with generosity. Mayingafuni ukukunika imali yakhe. You are fucked. either
Selicabanga
way.
kakhulu manini.
yeah, makutodibisa. Second question.
How?
Beauty. I think this one is for the gents. Maybe sesingatshintsha futhi into ezincane sifake apply to Jerry. Beauty without brains and ugly face with brains.
Mina ngangahawukela uCherry bama sciences. I think he answer.
That's all you can say.
That's all I can say. Ngahawukela uCherry bama sciences.
Ofuna ama arts.
So lapha like sister like 9 but dumb or like 2. Like how ugly is the ugly?
Unkazana muhle but
Like ufana
Like
ngama-40.
very ugly. Like
Dada.
ma 40 kind of ugly but enguCherry.
Enguche.
Kumbe fana alovuyi but enguCherry.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi yabona iproblem vele ukuthi njengendoda.
Mike.
Hayi nxa uyindoda uyabona umfazi sengaba lama brains but I think you always expect to find your own way as a man.
Oh,
anyway.
she can be giving you good brains.
Oh, hey, hey,
Ah, boom.
Mina I'll go for God damn it. I'll go for beauty without brains, dog. Fuck that shit. But mina ukuthi also, you know, some of these jokes I also say, dog. So endlini yabazini.
Man, lapha sikhuluma nge-dating marriage.
Asithi to settle down long haul.
Mina
Hayi
personally.
for abafazi siyakwazi vele na you can't take umuntu ongela brains because
How you
ubaba
can?
must.
Easier to control.
Ha.
Sorry. Eh, bana.
That was like
Talk
a,
about
That was a
we-
basket right
that's like
there.
a 1 in 10,000 odds, bro.
A basket
Like there
right
was
there.
so much space to aim at.
Awabulele kodwa.
Mina
Kobe.
angeke ngikhethe uSkomota because bullying is real and mangizala umntana wakhona
Ujayele
cabanga
usikomota nxa
umntana wakhona
iphendule.
ezelwe
Yes. Yes.
ethi nake
Alright,
atani
beauty no brains. Let's move.
hi guys
Pick.
cabanga umntana wakho
Picky.
podcast
Handsome guy.
mina
Picky.
no I'll pick brains over looks
Ngithiwa indoda embi.
anti mina ngiyacompensate
Okay, when I get
You're same here.
Cha.
Ugly
brains.
brains.
Ala umuntu omuhle engqondo.
Manje awula umgcini lamanga nje. Umgcini. Kulo muntu superficial njengomgcini.
Yo way.
when you pick in beauty with no brains
Yeah.
Mina nje umuntu omuhle.
Mina vele nje ngiyabe ngifuna uRihanna lona ukuthi ngathi 1 + 1 ethi he ngithi never mind baby.
Ili mali khuleka lethi come again. Ubone yazo kwisidom kwami lokho. But abathi akufuna.
Umuntu omubi ngonjani?
Umuntu omubi awumazwe.
Ngicela lingitshengise umuntu omubi.
Bana ngutshengise uCherry omubi. Cabanga uma 40 vagina. Enjalo uphuma positive vagina.
Ongafaki lutho kuphela.
Unga-edit, unga-remove any
Just organ.
positive vagina.
Pa.
Kongiyakhomba. Hayi pinchi.
uyakuzwa
mfowethu
wena
Jomle.
mina ngikutshele hamba kusho kama-40 uhlale phambili lapha.
Lona u-40 lapha kuthola khona uyebehleka futhi yena yena kuyabe
Engabe nginandaba vele.
Manje
Le
yabuhlekwa
shesha
abantu
weekend
futhi.
weekend yangikhona
Ndiyasilisa abantu Jomle.
Hlekisa abantu.
Sayibamba. But anyway,
Mbano ole.
for girls vele I was laughing you guys liphendula because sike sibona abantu lijwala labo lana guys.
asikhulumi nje but libhekile.
Yeah, I don't think you go for looks.
Usubona ngesandla dog.
Janet.
Baposta phela izandla. Beyapostanga ilokhu izenini.
mina ngicanga ukubuza
Janet. Jongile.
Melissa Jane.
2K bro
Jane.
Jane.
Ubone usunikile answer yakho utheni?
Mina.
Ngathi ubulo.
I'm not their brains.
Utheni uza compliment.
Mina my looks, I will contribute.
Tante brains.
But what if ama-jeans kamjide eqinile?
Hello, Coco.
Yeah, looks.
Look, say what
Umntwana aphume efanana lo baba.
And that just shows you.
Vele opposites attract, guys. Natural ocheri bahle iko befuna indoda ezimbi. Thina sikabi sifuna abankazana abahle.
Hayi, ngifuna amadoda are capable. Are capable. That's why you go
Guys,
for brains, because you
mina.
go for capabilities.
Tina. Maube, lookable with brains and mind.
Lapha sithe this or that.
This or that.
Yeah, when
This or
abakhona
that.
banjalo mos.
But never says this or that.
Next question, bro.
Anzela mbano.
You tell me now, would you rather have a gay son or a daughter who's a hoe?
Fuck.
Ay, into le yahlupha le. Into le vele yahlupha le.
Yo, pariketa brava.
A daughter who's a hoe.
Dog.
Uthi senjoveni uzabafana besithi
Only fans, some gaga.
Some fisting.
Ngoni boys be ngosomjizi dog. Dog, being a hoe, dog.
Pendula straight.
But
what
Ungachasisi.
lingananzeleli.
Awuchasisi.
Alingajethi
Awuchasisi.
ngachasisi. Wait, 3 seconds
Go.
to explain.
Go.
You guys were explaining 5 hours.
Go.
29.
Lingananzelela gay guys, they are fun. Gay.
Hey, ngingumzali mina.
Nabo.
A daughter who is a hoe.
Nithi gay.
Oh,
Gay
gay
son.
son.
Yes, I said gay because they
Mina
are fun to be around.
ngingumzali la ngizamura
But on second thought-
umuntu ofani lapha endawo kodwa
How low is the bar? How low is the bar on the whole? How low is the bar?
Look yana mdala ukuthi usemjoveni. Ubona abanjide kukhubela ni sex tape yakhe so yisi.
Bakutshela ukuthi lowana wadla.
I-cake
lowana
giver.
wadla, lowana wadla. Cake giver. Ule OnlyFans yonke into. Umfana oyistar.
Oh vela ulesike bongayo.
Me, I'll choose the hoe.
Mother of faith.
Hey, let me
Yeah,
I mean,
I'll choose the hoe.
but I don't want to come across as homophobic, but who are he?
Yeah.
No, but umuntu lo muntu yakhetha akufunayo. Ufuna ukukhetha like
Gay son or
For me, the hoe. Then yasebenzisa ishambo kwemuva.
Hey, mdala bengalapheki mdala. Nxa usumshaya ngishambo kumanje sebhebha
Rather
amakhata
slappy
wona la
offspring
kupophayo.
then. Rather slappy offspring. I go apply.
Ralph Fonte ukithani?
uthe gay son.
Ngcono be ngumohale dog. Haje umntwana olihondo. Like
Yahlupha ne?
like that hoe, like Santa Claus kind of ho.
FP, we're not saying a gay son is a problem. No.
Because you know,
It's just this or that. It's
you know
just
a hoe
Umuntu
comes with
akhetha
a lot of
khona.
problems, bro. Not only gay, introduce so means Jay, but remember Lily 50 years. Come on, bro. But
So this question
iho
is
ngiyavuswa ngo3 ekuseni sokuthiwa sebemgwazile ngale guys no nah no very ho umuntu lwana very like reflector badly on you as a parent.
That's true.
Nkukhu ngiyaka mnangcweme lo mntwana olipendeka ngokwakhe.
Ngokwakhe njani igela yake bengokwalo.
Kuyafana nokwa but angikhethile mina ukuthi ngifuna kuphi.
All right.
Mntwana olipendeka
Jane
ngokwakhe.
uneketana.
Mina, I'd have a gay son.
Right? Gay son.
I have no problem with gay people.
But
Yeah, all right. Kati kumana kwa menzana ndo explainanga.
A gay son. all the
lalela
way.
nini sengingakhetha gay son depending ukuthi i-target market yawanta
Hayi, khethe yakho.
Susiba le ngupim name slick back.
Okay, I know why it's
a
hard to
pimp
choose,
name slick back.
Dick back.
But I sengikhetile. Give him the mic, dog.
That's true.
Oh, good point.
So I was saying, if the bar is already low on the hoe, it is
So
to
he also
balance
has to be
both
like,
sides. Yeah.
I
One
mean,
of
I'd rather
those.
have a gay son.
You guys ever gay Piliana? Oh, daddy, chill. What the fuck is even that?
Hayi, ngiyafuna be gay top.
No. You already said with the bar, then the bar is low. Yeah.
Okay, even a bottom, it's fine as long as a gay.
Daddy, chill. What the fuck is even that?
Aye.
Okay.
And then, ngine question, Budan.
Sure.
If you were to choose, there are two options.
Mm.
You are gay in both options. Please note, this does not change
Hypothetical.
how people. Would you be a top or bottom?
Top ngenzani, bottom
Top
ngenzani.
ngokuphakululayo, ophansi ngoyamukelayo.
Kanti kunezinye zithanda ukuphakulula kuphela zona zi.
Jane,
Some
clarify.
people
So
are top,
bottoms
some
never
are
receive,
bottoms.
never give. Actually,
Yeah.
bottoms never give at some point.
They do or they.
Abanye they do both.
But they
kulabanye
prefer.
who are strictly bottoms, like the
Let's talk about power top.
abanye
Power
aba
bottom.
feminine. Okay, let me give you why the reference like to my question. I was watching this show Chong Youngins. So it was a gay guy and a tranny who was identifying as they them, but she just had a dick, you know? But she looked like feminine more. So she started dating this gay guy who was always a bottom, right?
Okay.
So when they started getting intimate, they both stayed at each other because bonke balale pants. They were both waiting for each other to get on top.
Whoa.
I was educating myself on that kind of stuff. So that one
like
was
Kares,
yeah,
like
when I
he
get
liked by
on
moment.
top.
Like, I didn't even know this thing, this dynamics are there.
Lam, I didn't know. I found out last week. So the other one was like, when I quella. And then the other one was
Hayi, wena
"Ah, when I
gibela."
quella. I was
Hayi
like, no,
paper. Hayi wena paper me.
Paper lengane.
something like that.
Paper lengane.
No, but mina njengomuntu osike wamanilwa for some time.
Nah, get out of here with that. Get out of here with that, bro.
I'm gonna wait.
And you?
Niggas always take the top, really, because as men, really,
bakhona
on our lives,
abangafuna
siyaphakulula.
bakhona abangafuna ukuba i-bottom because there are some straight men I've heard. No, people that I know.
Okay.
But I feel like
And
as
this
men,
is
we-
not the place.
Manipulate.
They were speaking about like wild things that girls do. Sex. Pardon me if it's uncomfortable.
no, lalela nini. Before uqhubeka vele benzithi kule episode esidinga umuntu gay others tshela ukuthi cringe up
Yeah, iyabuya,
hamba njani.
iyabuya.
It's coming, yeah, it's
Yes,
coming.
okay.
Sesimtholile.
So,
Ufunayo?
ufunayo zi-
If someone wants to pull up, yeah.
So,
But on condition,
He wants to pull
out.
Because no, on condition, of course, maybe he might try to mask the names, but we would want him to sort of debunk those claims that most
Hey.
straight men are always gunning for them. So if he's willing to spill the juice, the roadcaster is on, bro.
Hey, no matter what.
Let's rock.
and so when they fight about position and ukuthi yeah when I wear pairs wami yeah when I have a pants
Somfisting.
what kulala bana abakuthi abafuni like, especially laba about closet they like to be the top like they don't want anything in their butts and then also I have heard of straight men who are dating women, right? When they have sex with women, like, and they're getting head and what, they like to get their parts sucked, like all the way to close to the, close to the hole, right?
Umqolo.
And
So uyalokhu uze emqolweni ahambe yonke indlela.
yeah, and
Ho!
then they like being ribbed. It's called
Khathi
being
inkabi
ribbed.
lezi. Inkabi
Sort of.
zimbi.
Being
Almost
ribbed.
Mr. Bones zithi
And
ipupoli.
then, so I don't think it means that they're gay. I eavesdropped, guys. That conversation, I wasn't part of it. Nangangimile nje emdulwini. Almost 8 years ago. She said, I know this girl, she did what. Yeah, then she shoved the fingers. What. Yeah, does that mean I'm gay? No, you're not. Yeah, I also enjoy it. I'm like, oh, okay. It doesn't really.
No, but mina kulomunye umrapper engase ngimqambe ngebizo. Ngesikhathi sama Twitter space lapha wangena. Wathi yini uyakazama stuff lesi si blind.
Huh?
Ngiyalitshela Stru Bob into engiyikhuluma le angitsho ukuthi vele ngiyifabricate in. Into engayizwa like umjito wakhulumayo.
Nguwe phela umrapper lapha so.
Hanza litshela off cam. Ngizalitshela off cam ukuthi mba.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, so I heard it doesn't make you gay. So also
Gay.
then there was that other thing. Eyokuthi maybe uyabulo baba kumbe isihobe
Jane.
sahambe ejele a few months.
Asihlala usiqophingi ngothi so. Lava. Ukuthi so. Yes.
ubaba wahambe ejele.
Maybe ulo baba kumbe isithoba sahambe ejele for 2 years or 1. And ma wena ungumntwana osile esumntwana nje omgcini ufunga ubuza ukuthi so baba najona nomfana ejele then abakuphenduli yabo because what obviously is umdala
Why are you women on top?
why ngitop mbanga ubottom ejele but it never really made him gay. So apparently some men experience things that gay men do, but it doesn't necessarily make them gay. I don't know.
So like
you
gay
guys experience those things.
Ukuba gay ngathi kuloku
Shava no kolise.
kuloku spirang kuloku inhliziyo phakathi ku gay enhlizweni.
Bawuchaya
You know,
khona
ngoba
ukhuluma
bona besasemancane ukuthi no lo interest yakhe nje so.
Oyimini indaba le.
Ngime. Wangathi ngiyalitrigger.
Leyo into abantwana abancane nje kusokuhamba.
No, omunye bemncane umntwana umbona ukuthi lo vele wayekhula nje uyabe defend.
I feel like sidinga umuntu siyiloza uyazi educator sivi.
Educated.
When we're not being
nifundile
lazy. That's we would need that when we're not
When-
being lazy, guys.
You're not being
Because
lazy.
asonto ekhetho-
Uzwana ungasegue into
Uzalwa
album yami ngeshit le nto ngikhuluma. Asike sikhulume ebhora kancane or something.
No, we'll talk about these things when we're not being lazy.
Yeah, because
But for
get
now,
when
we're not lazy to speak about.
masinga
But the thing is, I know they
singakhuluma into
don't
ezingayisizo ezinye zibe offensive. futhi.
Exactly,
Not
that's
ukuthi
what I'm saying.
sifuna ukuba offensive but asikho
but I know they don't choose.
like asikwazi ukuthi uhamba njani.
Akula muntu okhetha even kuba movie. It's okay.
Hayi, anjuzalwa lakho.
No,
Laba
but-
bayazalwa lakho.
They are gay.
And then omunye uyaforce ukuthi akusuppress azabe mdala. Wena ucabanga ukuthi izitabane zetown zidlo wa?
Ngombuzi. Ngihlanga sethiwa mali sithi ukuthi isitabana ko offensive.
Yeah, it really sounds.
So
Yini lokuthi nyoko?
So sithi
Ungawunyoko. On the
What's-
surface, it
no,
sounds
it
fun.
depends on
Yeah,
like,
but it's
if
not
you,
offensive.
If you are
It's
known
not offensive.
to be
Because
you're
every
known
time
to be
mali sithi
homophobic.
my yes I cancel.
No,
Lina.
but if someone says, "Hey, I'm gay," Ustabane is just gay in the way, right?
Ngikwazi.
I believe so. So if someone says, "Hi, I'm gay," I don't
Oh,
think
isitabane che.
that's who you
But let me, can I
are.
tell you something? That word feels offensive
Very
because
good.
of the context that we've always used it in. So
Yes,
you know what you've
maybe
meant when you
that
said.
way. If
Ufalo
you
ukuthi
know
kwesinye
ukuthi le
isikhathi.
reputation yokuba homophobic.
Kuyazi kufana lani? Mina.
Ikonte unyoko because uyakwazi ukuthi sonke isikhathi une-presidwe inhlamba.
Mana phela.
So umuntu engazethi
Banika.
nyoko engazange engathethi mama wena uyehlube uthatha ikhavu uthi ye
Mina ngathi ngisenami ibhiya labanye uChoma vele arari ngabangani babo. Bebesithi bengambona bethi Mdebere bese behleka. Mina I never understood what they were saying like uthi kibo ngongani ku.
Ndebele is equivalent to Chona.
Engabe sithi Mdebele futhi angisakho umuntu okhuluma but to them they always say that manje mina ngamphendula ngithi emshona seke sonke because the context I've used I grew up hearing that word then.
Also when
Not
you
insulting.
You know what I'm saying? You know what the statement means.
But the thing is, it difference when you learn Ndebele or some Ndebele.
I take back that word.
All right. Shout out to K Breezy and Panasi for releasing an album. So into engicela la into engicela nxa ukuthi uke walalela album.
He's produced the album on a Monday, bro. That's when I saw it's serious business.
Nxa uke walalela album sitshela favorite track yakho silalele lapha then we go home because it's late.
Yeah, let's not listen to because here how many 1, 2,
Ah,
3,
favorite
4,
song.
5, 6, 7. Nah, so
I can imbuze phela 2 seconds. Just 2
Ivesi.
questions about that.
How do you feel?
Uhlala ubuzo osikhosana nami kodwa mangilazi.
How do you feel ngokukhipha i-album lakho idlalade andithwala idlalade
yeah lidlalade
idlalade uzwa njani mfoka Matiwaza?
Hey man, you know what I'm saying? Been here before, it's your boy.
Siyasifuna sneaker la siyaqala ukuchaya ingoma zakho
So we was in the studio with the boys, you know.
Alter ego.
Cooking in there. Aye.
No, but the reception.
Oh, the reception has been
Easy.
amazing. Do you know it's been 6 years since I put out an album? My last album was 2018.
The
That's how long
Cashmere
it's been.
Summer, yeah.
Cashmere
Cardi
Summer.
B.
Yeah, but I am such a prevalent force that people, those who knew me from the music kind of knew, Guti, I album. But anyway, what I'm really proud of about the album, is the kind of features that we also got on the album. Because it's kind of like part of my methodology. Yazi ngisho nani lapha abantu bakhohlwa ukuthi mina lami ngiyakhohlwa. Ukuthi I am actually not a podcaster. I came here as a guest.
Half a podcaster.
Ngiyasuka mina la. Vela my episodes I can tell they're dwindling now.
Podcaster.
Ngata ambiza 1,000. They need me in the stew. So part of my methodology has always been to try work with. Shut up. I've always tried to work with people who do something musically that I do not do, because I feel like singafanana in styles. This is why a lot of people might feel like we always thought you'd have Dirk songs with maybe Muse or Indigo Saint or the kind of people you feel like you could put in a bracket with me. But those are the people I have the least songs with. I have the most songs with niggas like Dakud. Because I feel like that's how you make a good plate. Omnyeti rambola, omnyeti beef, omnyeti salad. But so in case ngabe as-12 rice, siyayidlanga. Eplastikini.
So we bisho. Ngicela play yami your favorite track them bese play. Awena.
Connect phone yakho usuhle uyeqile ngomeni nawo.
Ngonjani?
Try ivese one.
Yazona.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
My phones affiliated.
No mountain. Story is fact. Something imlalelisi i-album lela Dynamite. Dynamite finally evolve. So impatile nithi yizo bra. Wathi
Ngizina my headphones this
song my headphones. Mina into embulale ngomeni lelo. Nazo. Kangani zingobe lendlela ingobe.
Alright.
Nazo.
Lapha like ipart yakho. No, sizagcina kweka A7.
A7 wabulala. Ngoya ku peak la, that was peak A7. Ingoma la record okudala.
Ngoma 2020.
Yeah. Pincha, skimsa, pincha, skimsa. Aiga, Neymar, Aiga, Neymar. My blood, Gasla, Tinza, Skipper, Uza, Spinza, Neymar, Frupa, Suga, Flyer,
Lombando,
Muvik, Strati 1000, Muvik Chita.
Dope, Cape Town, Paris, London, Scuba, Super, Baya, Hopa, Maima, Lema, Haiga, Trapa, Fasa, Soba, Masha, Hoja, Popa, Pasa, Haika, Chisco, Master, Nenjebe,
Bando.
Slow mkondo.
Indaba ngwazana la udlukiphi.
Yamiya, Hipia, Sapora, Mureki, Satengi, Sognisha.
No manini. Abantu abayazi i-podcast le baza understand why ingoma le is my favorite. And so ngikhuluma ukuthi why but nxa i-podcast le uyibukela vela uzabakwazi why ingoma le
uzakuzwa.
Ngakupa mazinyo rabiza ngakaka kwanuga masimba au mama angifuni bija yami
Ishobe yahlanya lento.
Umgcini wonke siziphathe watshale sasike Leo DiCaprio utheni?
Ngathi izinto lengathi member lezidlalela ngabisela ngala.
Ngathi. Alright, focusanini engomeni zenu lezi. Yani nizithanda niyamnansi la.
Can I say something also before you continue? Do you know when we did the song, I specifically asked everyone who's on the song to write nonsense because abantu
like into enginanzelela ukuthi abantu ababonanga mina ngahlanga ukuphika ukuthi amajita lapha kukhuluma idoti vele
yazi ayikhona amajita nayibhalela amabhali sathi
relax.
So
don't
like
rap,
sometimes you send people songs before then they write at home. I refuse. I said, everyone, we're studio, we're going to give you 10 minutes. If you can't write what you want to write in 10 minutes,
ngowakho asiqetheni
Pasa, Soba, Masha, Hoja, Popa, Pasa.
Haika, Chisco, Master, Nenjebe, Nyapuza, Nyapija, Nyamiya, Hipia, Sapora, Mureki, Satengi, Sognisha, Maboga, Ngatupa, Mazinyo, Rabiza, Ngakaka, Wanuga, Masimba. Au mama, angifuni ngoba ngimnyama. Uganda, Espundu,
lapha ngihleka lapha ku-Cape Prison ngena aluzwanga kahle
Wena ufubise lo la mkhonto la into.
Visa, akaka, kwanoga, masimba.
Oh mama, angifuni ngoba ngimnyama. Mudanda, espundu, espaka, kasa, blanca, ibaudo, latanga, amrapa, nyembama. 2 times I'm a lips at tamba.
My dad, my life, big thighs, my type. Nigga, you piss, 6'9", nah, you snitch, nigga 6'9". In the city of the girls that we like. My name ring loud, nigga G-tight, nigga lit life. 2 keys couldn't even get you this high. Beat us? Hell no. Whitewash? Omo. Bad ting, all fours, sex tape, Pokemon.
Lapho ese wawulala. Wawulala lapho ese.
That we like. My name ring loud, nigga G-tight. Nigga lit life. 2 keys couldn't even get you this high. Beat us? Hell no. Whitewash? Omo. Bad ting, all fours, sex tape, Pokemon.
Cut body, gas lami. Tolo wona bonga male manzami. Tolo wona bonga bazu ngamnga. 2 things that I really like, gas lami and ngamnga.
Swagala, swagala.
Mina ngithanda ukuthi ngiyabonga guys.
Like I'm non-kaza in different flow
like after ukulaleli album, ngamfakela imessage isilu K Breeze ngathi angikhulumela ukuthi singabangani. Awa sometimes kulama compliment la nokuthi obisithi membe yami yasota.
Yabona ukuthi ichomi le ichomi yeche ethanda mhlamba but from the podcast deep line. Yabona ngoba ngumngani wethu bani. Yabo.
But I like genuinely sibila ngayi mina akholisa ngiyabonga. Amen. Usungaconnecta talk ngefoni yakho lapho.
I actually sent him the same message. Uthi member leza bona nami sikhulumela ukuthi ichomi yethu. But album le play. Uhlu play nje ke yampeni.
Abari ngiyalizwa bangani bami. But iplay ukuthi lami ngiblind. So ngiyakwazi.
What you praise play mina lapha mfake yami.
Ule one. Down it up.
Fake friends.
Come on, dog.
Fucking fake friends.
Ngiyadla lokuzi yami.
What's this?
Roadcaster.
Do you know Gabi? Do you know umsebenzi kaBlix?
Yeah, connect.
The guy who shoots for Ja Praise.
Yeah.
He loved this song so much he wanted to come shoot it for free. He said, "Niggas, just pay for my accommodation and my transport. I'm not come there and give you guys a movie. This song is
mina ngicelani into eyi-1 ngihlengi request maybe ebantwini.
But la ka resimo bona
le toilet la. Isini yani toilet la. Xa uthi lizaba creative ngayo.
Oh my God!
I remember the second down.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, how much did I say go under? You promises la.
Play Ralph.
Who Ralph who's on there?
King's Poem. Nah, I listen to music at a higher level than you people, so this is the song that I could tap into intellectually.
I like how he uses my song to brag about himself.
Yeah.
So we see where at the end of the day, we overshine
stands
clothes.
up for you, bro. On X especially.
Big time. Because he loves this shit.
The Don Quixote of age gone. African supreme, I'm connected to slave one. His black skin made the canvas I paint on. I rain on. Through all of me, the Mansa Musa miracle plays on. The broken tabernacle I got my name from. The same place Samson was given his braids from. My faith strong. Building empires out of poems and jade stone. Now the chain's gone. Yeah, and his blessings are prayed on. Will topple the machine in the spirit of.
Lojahe ithanda ingoma le.
Ingoma le vele like it's so.
Lojahe uthi usazobhala sibili something sibila ngazi ukuthi.
Yes, I also want to break down the references. Zakhuluma Lojahe, maybe we can collaborate on it. Can just
man, kule website le break it down.
Genius. I can actually annotate for you on Genius. For the rest of you who don't know who Mansa Musa is, or to K Breeze Timban. Like, dog. This is a
Mansa Musa.
Mansa Musa.
Oh.
Mansa Musa is the richest black man that ever lived.
Empire.
He was
Ethiopian, right?
That's why even he was Nikas, which means king. He was so rich, bro.
Wava.
No,
yeah,
like thousands of years back. Or maybe hundreds. Yeah. But he was so rich. He once did what do you call this? What you do that Muslim journey? Yamachitalawa. When they go to, he did a pilgrimage to Mecca and he came back. His pilgrimage was so crazy. Every place he passed through, basala sebe blind. Like where city engadlule stitch 2 weeks. Like he used to just lavishly pay for shit. No, it wasn't Ethiopia. It was
strong to all of my days gone. Amen. The king's poetry is covered in gold, so I'm preaching in flows. The inflated ego of a Michelin mold, brother, each to his own. Me now I am of history, death is a myth to me. When the sky burns, will you rise up the thing for me? Carry the dream for me. My heartbeat is God's personal symphony, is watching me blissfully. I am what bitter man can only wish to be, walking epiphany. Cadence to carry cavemen through centuries. Family enterprise, the code is from Sicily. I'm all that I'm meant to be, and more. Yes, Lord.
I
did it on purpose. Sorry.
When this next verse comes in, I do something called alliteration, which is crazy. I rhyme, and then I rhyme bits in the middle, and then I rhyme in the end again. So I say, like, I'm coming for everything, and then I go, I wasn't around for a while with the sound, so you clowns put the crown on the head of a lesser being.
Yeah.
Do you know what I sound like?
That's the structuring of the verses too. Yeah, those are the things that interest me.
I play it up.
Yeah, play it. This is my favorite verse anyway. On the entire album.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's my favorite verse.
I'm coming for everything. I wasn't around for a while with the sound, so you clowns put the crown on the head of a lesser being. In the blind kingdom, the one-eyed man is king. I'm Adele with the duet. I rap, all you hear from the track is the fat lady sing. So many sing, swimming in the shark tank of Machiavelli schemes. I scratch the belly bean, cause I was breastfed on soul food.
Guys, if it's slaves as a center,
No, like,
it's cool. After this verse,
Big mean 16, travel the whole truth. Nigga still local. If you never debit all the blessings you owe you will die reselling the dreams they sold you. And that's so true. Don't say I ain't told you.
Can move to another one.
Jane.
And then like a poppy song, like a poppy song that has always been on repeat for me for the last year. Ileana Little Lioness, that one I also love that song.
Oh, also that song
really
got
like that
ranked
song.
number 6 in by Hype. Yeah, SA releases 23 June to 5 July.
On the day of the drop.
Like 5 hours after it came out, dog. 5 hours. And even the picture they used to rank me, I know that's the picture that pops up on my knowledge panel when you Google me. So they had to Google me. Because that's not the artwork of the album. They had to Google me, and then they just took that picture.
But
Yeah, you're cooking.
You guys, it's a good day when it's a good day when till I win, till I win,
guy anona kirwa.
Nyawani head voices sound going up.
Arigunagirwa.
That's a big tune. Man, I'm finally zoom down.
It's a good day when it's a good day when till I win, till I win. Delivering como en limousine. Number 1 wine, you're my sushi, my curry lama zamba. The ones who want to noma kanjani. Whoever left you, I'm a baiza.
Chichago is thank you, my
This song is crazy.
I didn't expect it, huh?
Do you know my mom said, I just Kosana lo Kosana. What do you say? What you pay? My mom was so shocked.
But you know how I knew it was a tight song? It's like I listened to it without knowing that Kosana is even there. So when it just started, I was like, damn, this song. When Kosana came on, I was like, what? He didn't do that.
So you know
Good line got deserve honorable mention. And she saw me on TV. Why by his kid?
So I wanted to say, if an album like wins Hip Hop Album of the Year, they credit also all the artists who participated in the album. So if this album does get to win an award, who's Kosana? Have said it credit the Hip Hop Album of the Year. This is if
we actually win, we're gonna go down and see Kosana and see what him match.
Send them an email and send them a split sheet.
I really never thought Kosana would fit into such a song.
Yeah.
That's Murphy, bro.
Yeah, it took a lot of geniuses combined to come up with that one.
Hey, honorable mention. This one.
Back in demand when you got ganja so tan. Think something just hit the fan. Yeah. You do what you can. Don't boy up 100 bands and the roof on panorama. Yeah. All my niggas clutch. Can't say hit the plug and the crib on double dutch. Yeah. The boys are in the north, but for no my sport, so we booked out a resort. Woo. How big, baby, you eat? Go and live forever. I might fuck around and do it. Nigga, I was breastfed, don't like to fluid. The dust into Tawa Tuli. Oh yeah, it DVD, my boy. My genius surprises even me, my boy. You a dream seller, wish I never see, my boy. I call a nigga. Oh, she's a thought, baby. You panali God, baby. You Brazilian. She saw me on TV. Now my cup is kitty. Bitchy. Oh, she's a thought, baby.
I'm not happy with what I said. Yeah, I don't. That might be the one part I don't like in that entire album.
But you know it.
But I know. Bitchy. I was drunk when I wrote that. And then like a week later, I was like, hey, I don't think I should go.
I think in Goman endanzele khona ukuthi njengoba versus chaya isikhathi mina ngizakukhethela i-favorite song yakho sichaya then sisamba what a mess like ama vocals lana like ku background
akha what a mess umchayile vele
ngichayanga dog
umchayile umafoni
lapha besingakaredi album
ngamna bengifuna chaya ngisho
no mass is a chaya but all I'm saying is when like lokuzini umuntu oyicavasi like music like yezwa ukuthi stuff lesi sibe like isiphekwe sharp
lesi sabathe konke wavakatshe sabathe
wakwavakatshe sabathe yabo mina ndokuze ngiplay
let's get to relax bro tell me you must relax sending this thing
it's been a dream of mine to rap
but relax sending these things just chill down bro.
Yeah, what do you want? Records are basically hold up. No Farrakhan. I wouldn't live with myself if I hold up. Give you the baton. Tunnel vision with the hits. Coolie you con. Bodies like I'm Via Kong. Yeah. I lie in the Socrates. I am a problem, see, I am a prophecy. Flying them chocolatey. Chocolatey, talk to me properly. I need an apology. Slip on the game and you slip on my property. Posted democracy. Get some silk, get some moccasins. Oh, what a mess. Drinking select. Show me respect. Run me the check. All my shooters come go for the neck. Name another nigga dopa. Stunt double for the coca. Beast spoke with the 3-piece. Look at Changreta with the mocha. Suited up like polka. Wave rider nigga bopa. Dead prezi.
You know, it's crazy how well I'm a ad-libs fill up a song. If you guys were to come in studio and I muted all this and you just heard like my lead voice, it's a totally different song.
Yeah.
Flirt. In the
Even kumamela. Even kumamela kukule nto emuvela besithi mamela.
You know, in the late 2000s, they used to make fun of Young Jeezy because when he said studio, ad-libs, and they used to laugh at him. But this is where the game is now, bro. Like if your ad-lib game is weak, the song is like 40%.
Even Migos.
Ad-libs are everything.
Migos is the ad-libs, bro.
What's the first thing I commented on?
Migos is the ad-libs, though. Elega future.
Do you know what I wanted to say? It's always been a dream of mine to rap. So one thing I learned, if you want your career to have longevity, you must always try to do music that is close to who you are as a person as possible.
Yep.
That way you never have to put on. This is why most of what you listen to here it's going to be really amazing. Then we're going to clown parat. And which is pretty much why I am.
That's you.
Yeah. Like, for example, King's poem, which is your favorite. Nyachama baza deep undot, but it's no singati.
Bloody diamond, G-Man. Continue to pour truth. So when the next life, when toss calls forth.
Let's move Lena to Blood Diamond.
Solomon Vande.
Other guys called Timon Honsu.
It's a reference. That was crazy, bro. Yeah.
Motherfucker, I told you. Yeah. Sound like God, don't it?
Motherfucker.
What's up? Senzani, gents. See a rapper. Or Raja. Watch how we do it. Because if you rapping, my rapping is we rapping or not? You know what time it is. It's o'clock, boy. It's o'clock. Besicela bonke abakwazi ukurapha lisale after i-service uma mfundisi ukhuluma la. Yeah, boy. I swear I got a $150 of these, bro. I'm quick drawing my ground, bro. We can do this all day. You know what time it is. It's o'clock, boy. K Breezy, aka Big Slippery, aka Big Juicy, aka Big Mozzarella.
Asambe solo leli album sizafaka link ku description.
Yes, just
from Spotify. Yazimpoze ngathi fazakhe.
Nile nje ukuthi
Bemfuna ukuthi lokuze nini? Kuthiwani lene
Fakaza.
Nah, Fakaza, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube,
every DSP. Go
but also,
listen.
I know we've been previewing songs and running to our favorite songs, but it will do you justice if you just listen to the album. Order, because it's perfectly arranged. Shout out to Panas. I think Panas on your part with me too.
Yeah, it's true. But it's
also like when you're uploading your pictures, you can.
Shout out to Panas for arranging, because
Yeah.
the arrangement is also proper, bro. Like the songs are just leading you on to the next one.
And you know, one of the easiest ways you can also like do to support us artists now, because social media also picks up on these things. It's just when you post something, use one of our songs as a.
And I've been doing that, eh?
As a,
As
a sound.
Yeah,
I've
then
been
it gets
doing that
suggested more
on
to people.
BYO means. So yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
K Breezy, Panas, WWNPL, when we're not being lazy, out on every digital platform.
Msitshayela ingoma yokuvalelisa.
Especially
Asavala
labana
ngo-
ababe comment abesithi hey K Breeze ifuna what.
Ukumkhipha ingoma, yeah. So, yeah.
Khothisa.
Umkhothisa.
Anoke nisikhothise album.
Ingoma le J-
Right, before I play the song, do you know I sang this once as a reference, Stagiwe. And then the next day when I tried to re-record it proper, I failed. And then we just had to keep that reference. And that's what happens sometimes when you're recording. We're pulugela. And then you just cannot duplicate what you did.
Yes.
I've been playing this song since last year. Bro.
Amen.
It's crazy. This song.
Thank you very much for tuning in. This has been
Baby,
podcast.
I need you in my life, baby.
Bye-bye.
You need to be my wife, baby. Ay, 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 oh, mamela. I lay down